Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing out there? Let's get it. All right, let me go see. Let's go see. What's it gonna be? It's Friday. We got Opex today as well. So Opex. We're gonna see how everything shakes out. And let me see if I can go ahead and push that lucky like button myself real quick. Bam! I'm gonna be lucky number 14. 14. Let's get it. Last night, what a night, what a day yesterday after the live stream. Boy, oh boy. It was a doozer. Let's turn AC down. So it looks like we had a pretty good rip come London. London ripped the markets up pretty good. Are we going to come back down? Are we going to go up? What's it going to be? Hey Eddie, good morning. Repeat. What's up? We do have four take profit trader accounts up for grabs today. So who's gonna be the lucky four winners? This trying to get everything situated. All right, let's go see so we can pay attention to the important key times and stuff. What do we got coming out today for news first? Hey, trading game, what's up? Yeah, four winners. We had four last night, but the person that won twice, I went to click on their email, I deleted it. So I'm hoping they're going to show up in the stream today. I emailed them back. Oh boy. Trump speaks tonight. That's after the market closes. So here at 9:45, we have a little bit of news, and that's it. So 9:45 is the only time in terms of economic news. Heat map this morning, SpaceX up, Microsoft. All the Mag 7 are in the green. CYM just basically ripping up. Everything took off last night right around the same time. Right around 2 o'clock in the morning or so. Look at RTY. Yeah, RTY kind of took off then. NASDAQ kind of took off around the same time. ES, same thing. Let's look at something real quick. SPY. Hey, Roger Sam. SPY is up 0.41. RSP is up 0.37, kind of in the same ballpark. Wow, look at Bitcoin. Holy smokes. Bitcoin was up a lot more too. Hey, there's Bitcoin on the daily. Holy crap. Wow. Bitcoin's been getting it on the daily. Wow. What about gold? I see gold is up right now too. Gold's up pretty good. So gold might be trying to make its way up here towards 47.84 or 47.84ish. Gold's been on a pretty good tear as well. 30-minute chart, you can see we're up here at the upper end of the range. I would assume that the assumption, I haven't looked yet. Dollar's a little bit weaker and yields are coming down. Yep, dollar's down right now. And let's go look at those yields. We know they're trying to keep yields down. Still see though, we're pretty elevated. We had that ABC target up here above us. So coming in to be an oversold down here. Do I dare look for a scalp? We are below the regression channel as well. So let's see. Remember, it's Friday. So last night I ended up trading the prop accounts. Hey, Four Legs, what's up? Yesterday I had a big blow up after the stream. You guys were on the stream last night. You guys know all about it. There you go. So yeah, I agree. They won't be able to in the long term, but they may be able to in the short term. So we'll see. Last night I traded just prop accounts last night. I blew up all my prop accounts yesterday after the stream. Went on a madman tilt spree last night or yesterday. Not last night. Last night I was on the road to recovery. But yesterday, it's a hot mess. Ended up spending, I was showing people the credit card statement last night, or yesterday. $4,911.10 spent yesterday. Blew up every prop account I had, bought new ones, blew them up. Not even taking setups, just I gotta get it back. Bam. All right, trade number one. Winner. Let's get it. So normally on Thursday nights, I try to build me a little bit more of a cushion going into Friday. I didn't do that, so I got to be careful this morning. I like to have a little bit more of a cushion. I don't want to down Friday, man. If yesterday would have happened this afternoon, today, oh man, it would have been horrible. That would have wrecked my weekend for sure. You're bummed about that. I would have gladly taken that, Sam. Gladly. So I'd received the payout the night before. Or it was in the bank by the time I woke up yesterday morning. And so I was pretty happy about that. And then I ended up taking one more trade yesterday after the stream. Not my live account. I didn't trade my live account anymore. But in my head, I thought I had to pass these. I thought I had to pass the MFF accounts a little bit. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought they had a time where they're going to run out. And I was getting close. I was like, let's just go ahead and get this done. Bam. Hit a trade. Didn't work. I lost like less than 150 bucks. And then that little bit sent me on tilt. Well, that started the tilt. So it was a hot mess all yesterday afternoon. But then I was messing myself up with a copier. They have everything broken up into groups, different accounts for different groups. And I was trying to hurry up and buy accounts, get them situated in the copier, and bam, I wasn't even looking at setups, just bam, hitting it. Stupid. I really wish I would have had a camera set up in my office so you guys could have seen the hot mess. You guys would say, what the F? I use a copier from Affordable Indicators. If you want to check it out, link in the description box down below. But it was horrible. And then so I got new Apex accounts yesterday. I blew up my funded Apex accounts. So I got new Apex accounts, made a trade. I think I was up $100. So I'm not going to trade them. Well, then I had blown up my TPT accounts, full porting. Hey, full porting, just right off the rip, 15 contracts. Oh man, so dumb. And then I was in a hurry trying to get accounts, trying to change the groups around and whatnot. Bam, I hit the friggin' Apex accounts with 15 contracts, thinking they were the take profit trader accounts. So then they went from being up $100, hit the daily loss limit. The new My Funded Futures accounts hit daily loss limit. Yeah, 15 NQ. Yeah. Well, I hit some ES. Some were ES, some were NQ, but here's the bad part. It wasn't like, all right, we're coming into oversold. All right, let me hit 15 contracts here and go up. I was like, refresh, disconnect the data connection, reconnect. All my new accounts are there. Bye. Nothing else. I was a full tilt session. That's probably one of the worst tilt sessions I've had in a long time. But, in my head, I'm just thinking, I got to get it back. I got to get back what I just lost, and try to hurry me get back to being funded. And man, it cost me yesterday to the tune of $4,911.10. So that was horrible. Oh, and to make situations worse, in the middle of being all frantic and trying to hurry up and get the accounts, I went to Tradeify, bam, bought my Tradeify accounts back. Forgot to put a code in. So I paid for those full price. And then one of the trades I had working out, I had a little bit of time. I emailed Tradeify and they refunded me the difference. I already have it refunded on the credit card. So I gotta give them a big shout out for that. That was good of them. They refunded the difference. So as soon as I did it, so what happened was I went to pick the 5-pack. I had the code in, and I scrolled down. I was like, oh, 5-pack, boop. When I clicked the 5-pack, I guess it went away. And I looked, I'm like, where's the code at now? With the 5-pack, here's how distorted I was. I was like, I don't see where to put the code in now. It was right there in front of my face. I said, it must be on the next screen. I hit proceed and it goes, we're paying. I was like, awesome. So no discount on this one. All right. We see how it is. We see how it is. So it was a hot mess yesterday. You guys could have seen it afterwards. You would have said, who is this guy? Who is this guy and what is he doing? Gold ready to dip. Man, Raj, gold ran up pretty darn good. Pretty good. I'm a little scared to. I don't know if I want to mess with gold today. For me, not after yesterday. Now my wife doesn't even know. She has no idea. She knows I was having a bad day, but she doesn't know to what extent. Because I was out for lunch really late, and then as we're eating lunch, I'm just like this with the phone. Oh, I got right back in there. Oh man, it was so bad. So bad. But it's all good. Like I wasn't mad. I mean, I was mad at myself, but I don't know. It definitely wore me out yesterday. I will say that. I wore the F out. So last night when we got off stream, look at, if you guys were trying to jump on the stream earlier, you notice I had the late night stream setting up even. That's how tired I was after the stream last night. I don't even remember my head hitting the pillow. I remember going to lay down, and before my head hit the pillow, I was knocked out. My body's like, you're done. Time to go to bed. So I was pretty tired last night. Silver over here on the 5-minute has a little double top 1, top 2. If we break the neckline, let's go ahead and measure that out, see where that would come into play. All the way down here at 68.37. Hey, one last trade. Normally I can't. Normally I have a hard time sleeping. So when I was younger, they actually had me on, I had to take Lanesta to go to sleep. And even then I would fight that sometimes and just stay up. So usually when the sun goes down, I'm like, beep. I'm wide awake once the sun goes down. I'm the most tired in the morning than I am at night. So. Oh no, I go on tilt sometimes, but I mean, I tell you guys, I'm no different than you guys. Now on stream, I'm a lot more. If I would have been on stream, it wouldn't have happened. But nobody around, nobody watching. Hey, the kids are going to come out and play. And craziness. Crazy. And I knew I was spending money on the credit card, but I didn't realize the damage until afterwards. And I even said originally, after I blew up the first time, I was like, you're being dumb. I was like, let's just wait till the market closes and we'll rebuy back the accounts after 5 o'clock. The other guy says, you got to get a day count in. You better hurry up and buy these now. Get them. Instantly not working. Blow them up. Hurry up, buy more. Oh boy, it was a hot mess. Hot mess. So we were talking about that last night on stream a little bit. So, but last night on stream, I ended up, I have it broken up differently. Let's see. I'll show you. I was trading these on stream last night because I was talking to Jesse after. Jesse thought I went out e-foiling yesterday because he didn't hear from me. He's like, man, I didn't hear from him. I just thought I was out e-foiling. I said, bro, you won't believe what happened, man. I'd have tilted. No, you didn't. Cause I joke around a lot. I said, I'm not joking. I screenshot my credit card balance and said, look, this is what happened today. Here, let's see. Here's a screenshot I sent him. Wait, I don't have to worry about. Just so you guys can see. There's all the pending transaction. I was buying 5 packs and everything yesterday. There's the damage. I had no balance going into yesterday. Now I have a balance of $4,911.10. So, but anyways, I was telling him, I said, man, I went on tilt. And I had these accounts hurt because remember I said I had the Apex up $100, then trying to go into TPT accounts and full port them and being an idiot, which is not normally me, but it happened. They ended up hitting their daily loss limit. I kept telling them, I was like, hey, I'm just going to blow these accounts up. Yeah, I'll get good rewards on the credit card. That's one way to look at it. So these accounts right here were all damaged. The new MFF accounts were tied in with the Apex accounts. So they all just got They were down almost 1,000 yesterday at the end, all because I hit the wrong sim account to put the trade on. But whatever, dumb. But last night we traded these on stream. I was just scalping the NQ on stream and was able to get all the money back. So it's like, you know, they're back to even. You can see the balance, 50,000 ish, 50,020 to 50,072. Hey, I forgot I even owned, and all the mess yesterday. I forgot I even had this account. Hey, that account, I looked at it last night after we got off the stream. I'm like, man, where'd that account come from? I didn't know I had it. I guess that account hit the daily loss limit yesterday and all the mess. And I just assumed it was blown up. I guess I don't know. Did I have 6 Apex accounts? No, we have no. Hey, I am looking to take a trip to Hawaii again. I want to get back to Hawaii. I want to actually go out there. I want to e-foil while I'm out there too. Last time I went surfing, but man, I had to paddle out so friggin' far. I had to find the boat channel and paddle out, and so. But today we're going to be giving away 4 Take Profit Trader accounts, so we'll see who the lucky winners are going to be. Who's it going to be? I don't know. Fear and Green Index, we're only at neutral. And we already looked at the heat map this morning. So a lot of green so far this morning. We look at the overseas markets. Nikkei was down 200 points. But look, it gapped down. It tried to make a run back up. And it closed near the upper end of the range. HSI up 310 points. Closed near the high of the range. High of the session. The Kospi was up 60 points. In the upper portion of the range. Not as close to the high. And DAX right now is up 72. CAC is barely up 3.4. So volatility index is down 50 cents. So mean and green. Mean and green. Let's go. All right. Can't believe Bitcoin's been on a tear the way it is. So I gotta work. I want to be careful today because, man, if yesterday would have happened on a Friday, my weekend would be absolutely wrecked. And tomorrow morning I plan on going out e-foiling with my daughter. I don't want to drag any of this back juju with us. So I'll tell you, that's usually what happens. If you hesitate, hey, here's the sign of a good trade. If you see it and that trade's still there a few minutes later, it's probably not a good trade. If everybody got time to see it, not good. The best trades don't last for long. Yeah, don't want to ruin the weekend for sure. Hey, is Lone Wolf in here? Let's see. I gotta keep an eye out. Yeah, hey, so navigating intraday drawdown, the best way I've found, size down, and then once you size down, just trade micros. Don't go crazy with it. Don't go looking for big trades. Look for little base hits. $100, $200, $300 maybe. Because that way, if you're up $300 and it comes back on you, okay, and you stop out break even, you're only lost $300 of your drawdown. It's not getting crazy. Or if you're trading a mini, maybe you're up $1,000 and before you know it, you stop out break even, you just lost $1,000. So yeah, one to two micros is all you need. Like yesterday, I proved full porting does not work for this guy. This guy, no bueno on the full port. No. Does not work. So really upset with the blow up yesterday, but you know, I could just as easily never said anything about it. Nobody would have known, but I'm not one that runs away from my losses. I think you learn a lot from your losses. And I'm sure some of you guys have probably experienced that to some degree, maybe not as bad as I went yesterday, but, or maybe even a little bit worse. So you guys know you're not alone. Even Even I do it. I've been trading since 05. I still lose control sometimes. So, oh no, hey Cheryl, I didn't blow some. I blew every single prop account that I had. All my funded accounts. Poof. Gone. And it all started because I'm like, oh man, I feel like I'm getting close to. Here's the funny part. Here's the irony of the whole thing. All right. In our head, we make up these narratives that we think are true. And then we find after the fact, they're not true. But if you go over here and you look, the rapid EOD accounts, I was getting close to passing. And because I haven't been looking for big days in those, I'm like, my month's probably up. It's probably going to have to renew. So I'm in the back end trying to cancel these accounts. Then look what I see. One-time fee. I was never going to renew. It was a one-time fee for that. All the other accounts are monthly. So I thought I had to do something I really didn't have to do. That's funny. I was like, how can I not? I'm stressed out trying to figure out how to cancel these accounts. And because I wanted to hurry up and get there, I bought new accounts, blew them up. I had to buy new accounts. So I bought these rapid accounts twice yesterday in the whole blow up drama. Hey, Chris, what's up? Good morning. So I always say, on stream, you guys see the best version of my trading. Yeah, I'm with you, but I guess, and all the melee going on yesterday, I don't know. I was done. Prediction for today. I think we go up. I think we go down. All right. So if we look at the 4-hour time frame, we had a pattern. We were discussing this last night as well, but we still have an ABC pattern all the way down here that completes at 752. But here's the problem. All right. If we come back up, if we end up retracing up here and we get above 719, we'll call it 720. We get above 720. That will be that will be above the invalidation point of that pattern. So if we get above 720, we're no longer looking for this ABC pattern. It will be considered a failed pattern. Now, if we look over here on the 30-minute chart, what do we have right now? We're above the developing value area high. Yesterday, last night, we never went below value area low, but we did rotate all the way above value area high. So today, if we start coming below 417, well, then I would expect the market to do a rotation back down. Now, yesterday, I would classify the volume profile shape as a B as in boy. Now, what that means is we start trading above value area high, we're likely going to explore the upper third of the range. One of the easy things we can do real quick is do it like this. All right. So we want somewhere above this 38% retracement, somewhere about here. But as I'm looking at this, what really gravitates and pulls my attention on this chart would be somewhere in this zone. And all I'm doing right here is looking candle body to the candle bodies up here. So for me, there's a little bit more room to the upside, but is it worth it? Is it worth it this little bit for a potential? We could rotate all the way back down and maybe even come down towards this point of control. So yeah, we're above VWAP right now too. If we zoom this chart over here, look how far away VWAP is. VWAP's all the way down here at about 405. Well, 405 would be below value area high. And if we look right in this zone here, it kind of comes right within the minus development area of the profile at this point. Now, this minus development area down here, I do not want to focus on. All right. I don't want to focus on this area unless we get below value area high. We get below that, then I want to turn my attentions down towards this area. It's kind of where my head's at this morning. So, hey, DJ, what's up? Mechanoble, good morning. So I would still focus more towards up here. I just don't want to get too aggressive with it. So for me, I'm going to take little scalps up in this direction. This is going to be my game plan. Unless we break value area low. We break value area low, then I'm going to be looking for the minus development area. Now that minus development area comes in about 406 to about 393. And look right here. Look, here's a little swing point. We clearly broke above it right here. And look, we've already had the retest of this area. We've already come back and retested it. Now, if we look at the FVGs, do we have any FVGs around us? Well, we have one down here. Look, that wick right there already came back and re-auctioned that area. We do have another FVG down a little bit below us to go ahead and close that out, be about 444. What about above us? I don't really see any. Don't really see any above us in the near term. So now what about the ES? Let's go look at the ES real quick. ES, we have a couple zones down below us. Down. And we have one way up here from the other day. Let's go ahead and remove all the drawing objects. Let's just start from scratch. Let's start from scratch and see what we have going on. All right, if we do this, here would be the A to B leg. The B to C leg was a corrective move. All right, here's a corrective move. And I believe that was a 50% retracement. Yeah, right. Actually, yeah, just slightly above the 50% retracement. All right, and then look what we did right here. We had a structural breakdown point. We clearly broke and closed below it. Now we're coming back to revisit that. All right, we're already there. Already there. So now the question is, do we turn back down? Now, if you're looking to target this 76.37, just be mindful. If we do get above 77.64 today, Monday, whatever, and we have not hit this level, that will be considered a failed ABC pattern. So let's see. And if we do get back above here and we stay above this area here, that could actually be bullish for a little bit more of a push up. Now on the daily chart, last night we talked about this in the live stream. We closed below value area low on the daily. What did we do last night? I kept saying, I think we're going to make it up there. And we most certainly did make it back up towards that level. We made it to the minus development area we talked about yesterday. And we've almost made it to the point of control at 77.02. We're very close to it. I do think we're going to make it there. That would be my bet. We probably make it there. So I do have a video on the A to B equals C to D pattern. I don't think it has a lot of views. Let's see. Let me find that for you real quick. I've been making a lot of videos that I know probably aren't going to get a lot of views. Like the last Ninja Trader tutorial video, how to install an indicator. Somebody on stream had a question about it. I knew it wasn't going to perform well. And I was like, I didn't care. I know if one person has a question, maybe later on other people will as well. So I'm not so worried about if I'll get views off it or not. Gotta try to find it. Oh yeah, here we go. Get shareable link. All right, here you go. There's the video right there. So I'm gonna pin it for a moment just so you can, anybody that wants to see, you guys go watch it, like it. Hey, and don't forget, because I was gonna pull the winners yesterday, which I did not. I had a rough day, so you gotta work with me here. Hopefully tonight I'm gonna pull those. And tomorrow's video, I'm gonna send an email out tomorrow, but we're gonna give away several accounts tomorrow in the video. So be on the lookout. Make sure you're on the email list. Where's the tubes? And if you guys haven't already, go to you can go to the channel and then right here under videos, go to rule change. you want to make sure you watch this one that says rule change and leave a comment, like it. I'll be picking winners from that video as well. That's the one we'll probably pick tonight. I gotta go to a doctor's appointment after the stream. So when I get back, I'll probably do that. I'll probably finish editing the video. Then I'll do that. If not, I'll do it once I get home later tonight. So, you know what's funny, Raj? So here's the funny part. People are like, I don't want to go over the charts. I know what I'm missing. I don't understand how people don't like to go back and study the charts. What did I miss today? All right, was this a good entry? Was it bad? What could I have done better? I really enjoy that process. And looking at the opportunities I missed and how could I have done better. And I don't know. I always want to try to get better. I don't understand how people think that feels like work. Like, to me, it's like, I want to do it. Like, it's not like, oh boy, I'd rather be out at the club drinking tonight or something. I just don't get it. I look at the chart and I just see all the opportunities. Hey, right there. Everything you ever wanted in life could be right there in the chart in front of you. It's up to you to seize the opportunity. That's the way I look at it. It's going to take a while too. You're not just going to overnight be a success. Unlike, we do have one huge success story. I don't know if he's in here this morning, but Mongo, first evaluation ever passed, goes to fund it and gets a payout on his first one ever. That is amazing. So he beat me. I failed my first one. I didn't understand the intraday trailing drawdown. Then I passed the second one. So he's got me beat, but I'd already been trading for 15 years at that point. Man, I have been 16 years. I don't know. I can't remember. I think the first profit for my trade was late 2020. I think. So that would have been 15 years. Yeah, hit that like button. But yeah, I'm going to try to slow it down today. Speed definitely was killing me yesterday. What I mean by speed is speed of how quick I was to put those trades on. So. Near and VWAP. Oh, gold. Yeah, gold. I was like, near VWAP, Barrage. I was like, we're pulling away. Yeah, I'm too scared of gold this morning. After yesterday, I don't want to trade anything out of my normal zone today. I got to get back on the horse. Because the worst thing you want is one bad day to turn into 2 bad days, to turn into 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, shoot. I just blew up my whole year. Because it unravels quick on you guys. When things start going bad, it unravels really quick. Hey, Lambo, it is easy. All you got to do is click a mouse. Get the little mouse up, go click, 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 click. And look, you really only have 2 choices. Are you going to hit the green button or the red button? And it's still hard. If you think about it, you had 3 choices total. Don't do anything. Hit the buy button or hit the sell button. It's like, wow, there's only 3 choices? That sounds easy. Yeah, that's the problem. It sounds easy. It's way hard. It's what goes on in our head that, like yesterday, I was definitely, my headspace was wrecked. I was a mad dash trying to buy these accounts. Hey, and when the Tradeify one went through, and I paid full price, I just laughed. I was like, I can't even believe that. I had the code in. Somehow when I picked 5-pack, the code went away. And I seen the price that said charge. I'm looking. I'm like, I can't find it. It's right there in front of my face. It was literally right there. And I'm like, must be on the next page. So I clicked proceed. Proceed, whoop, it's processing the payment. And I just said, that's what I get. I wasn't even mad. I just laughed. I was like, yeah, I deserve that. That's what you get for rushing. And then after they already hit target, I did pretty good in those accounts. They made 1,200 yesterday. After I already hit target, I went ahead and sent them an email, and within a couple of minutes, they said, not a problem. They fixed it for me and gave me the discount. refunded the money. I'll show you. The refund was already on the credit card yesterday. So, hey, the refund was already taken out of the money spent. So that $4,900 was already taken out. Let's see. Let's see if I can scroll down enough to find it. Oh, yeah, look. So, Tradeify, you can see the little refund right there. It refunded it. $313. So, yeah. Put support at 450 on the SPY. I take it. Let's go pull our Remith or Q. Check that out. And I even posted yesterday. Look, yesterday I even posted. Gotta love days like this. Your performance account has been deactivated. Oh, man. Oh, what a day it was. What a day it was. All right, let's go look at SPY. So I'll make sure none of that creeps back in again today. Yeah, indicators off the chart. Gamma, we'll go with intraday levels real quick. Hey, Paul, so put support off the monthly options is up here at 765. Zero DT put supports at 755 right now. Yeah, hey, Mechanoble, but I really like those accounts. And if you guys have ever gotten a payout from iFunded Futures, stupid fast. Stupid fast. They have a rewards program now too, which I'm hoping to do a video on that maybe Sunday. Explain a little bit more about that. So, yeah, and it just wrecked my afternoon. So I had some plans to go to the gym yesterday and just wrecked all my plans. All right, let's go look at the Qs real quick. Let's see. Yeah, if we do open where we're at right now, we will have some large gaps. Crude oil is up 12 cents. Gold's up 55. Gold's come down though. Let's just see. So put support on the Qs is down here around 700. The zero DT put support's about 705. And the 1 day minimum's at 702. So. Hey, Adam, good morning. So let's go. So far on stream, one trade this morning. Here, the seller's trying to come back in. We had a 9 count over here on the ES. Right up here. 9 count kind of rejecting down. Didn't quite make it into the bands yet. Can't stand that. And I think over the weekend, I'm going to end up putting the floor trader pivots back on my charts. I really want a way to find these, make these bands not so many lines. So I wonder if I can get rid of that line actually. I'll actually see about this. Let's look. View app. Color area. I think I can. Oh. Let's see what that looks like. Oh yeah, I like that better. Instead, I'm gonna take the line off that. Instead of having the line for the zones. That way I don't have so many lines on my chart. It was kind of messing with my eyes. All right, so let's do the second deviation. I'll take the lines off that. Let's just look at that real quick. Oh yeah, I think that's easier on my eyes. Let's compare. That, what do you guys think? With the lines on there or without? What do you guys think looks cleaner for a chart? Yeah, no line. All right. The losses you dealt with. Well, one thing I've learned in trading is how to lose. Like if yesterday would have happened many years ago, oh man, I've had worse days than that. I've lost way more money than that in my live account. So it was just irritating that the way it did it. Not really that upset with the monetary loss. I mean, I almost wish I would have lost five grand in my account versus the prop accounts. Because the prop accounts, it's going to take me days to pass, and my account, I could already be working on getting that money back. Last night and today. Where I'm going to have to pay the credit card bill. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'm going to play with that thing. See how I like that. See how I like it without the lines, just so I don't get too many lines going across my screen. Ooh, I got to get the opening range indicator too. All right, let's get it. Yeah, they all have a purpose, Steve. I agree. I actually just sized down my monitors. So I used to, for a long time, I was running a 65-inch TV with two 32-inch monitors. Now I got two 57 curved ultra wide monitors. And I like it. I feel like I got all of the space on the monitors are usable. It's not like something's way up there in the corner and I can't see it. Or way over there. I do got to reposition the desk. Now the TV was so big before. I think I can move the actual desktop computer over just a little bit. So, I mean, indicators are nice because they do indicate a condition, but the trade detector bubbles. Now I can look at a footprint chart and see it. See that same situation. Or you can probably see it with volume at the bottom too, which I'm kind of curious. I wonder if I could. Well, hey Raj, I had my quantity down until I started streaming. Then the quantity of trades I started placing was way more. Like, and yesterday was just hey, so it's funny you say that, Market Stalker, because after the fact, you know, if I would have been thinking logically yesterday when I was in the middle of blowing up all my accounts and, you know, rebuying accounts and all that, one of the things I think I made a boo-boo on was on my Apex accounts, because in hindsight, I probably should have did the 50K, no activation fee, intraday trail, all in would have been $245. EOD would have been about $545, which would have been cheaper because once I pass these accounts, I'm gonna have to pay the activation fee. So in hindsight, I wish I would have paid. Now I could have did the intraday trailing drawdown. It wouldn't have been a big deal. But hey, it is what it is. Is what it is. The Lucid accounts, the Flex accounts, I think they were costing me yesterday $105. The Tradeify select accounts. Oh, hey, we did. Hey, Raj, we did hit that VWAP. Man, congrats. Anybody got that? Right back up here near session highs. We are above the regression channel though, so let's be careful. So the flex accounts, I don't know, all in, I paid full price was $760 something for 5. They refunded me $300 something. That was like 400. That's a pretty good deal. Hold on, let's go do this. Let's go see. So we'll do this. All right, we're trying to pull back here a little bit. Yeah, that's the NASDAQ. That's weird. That is weird. Hey, Tris, what's up? Good morning. Let's see. Is Lone Wolf in here yet? Nope, not here yet. Oh, hey, Lone Wolf. Hey, you are in here. Hey, did you see I emailed you back last night? I emailed you back last night. When you emailed me, I was in a hurry moving the email over. I deleted it. So I didn't have your info, so I could not email Take Profit Trader for you. So if you can respond back to that email again with information, I'll get the email forwarded over. So. Last night, we had 4 of them, Paul. Lone Wolf won 2 of them. Then we had a total of 3 winners. Let's see. I'll resend the email. Perfect. Let's see if I can find it. All right, trades. We got 4 accounts we're going to give away today, too. So more chances to win. So no worries. I didn't get it. Oh, I got it. Hey, you know what? Oh, this is how messed up I was. That is funny. That's funny. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and email Take Pop Trader real quick. The 4-hour chart for Head and Shoulders. I don't know. I don't really see it. I can see the left shoulder ahead. This will be an awful low slanting. Maybe an inverse Head and Shoulders. Left shoulder, head, come up, pull back a little bit for a right shoulder, and then push. Maybe. All right. Hey, Lone Wolf, I just went ahead and email TPT. So we can get that giveaway started for you. Get the accounts transfer for you. Interesting. Trying to pull back here a little bit. What time is it? 8:52. Let's see. Is we gonna come down today, or do we stay back up? Forgot to do the poll. Let's do the poll real quick. Yeah, vote early. Vote often and vote early. So I'm trying to be patient today. Patient. We do have a little bit of liquidity up here on the ES. You look anywhere from about 77.05 to about 77.07. Already up 6K this morning. Nice. Wow. Killing it. Not me. Taking it slow. We got about 35 minutes till the market opens. Hey, Mongo, what's up? Mongo, the man, getting first prop account, first payouts, plural, from the same accounts. Pretty funny. Funny. Where's we at? I don't know. I don't really like where we're at way up here. But I still think we can go a little bit higher. Just don't know that I'm ready to swing at this. We do have news at 9:45 this morning. Slow grind all day. See 480 retested? Yeah, we might. Not that far away from it. How do I? So firing for the last 500 patch first eval. That last little bit's always the hardest part. Always the hardest part. So. Yeah, nice. Good deal. Yeah. Hey, no, hey, not 40 million, 40 trillion. Trillion. Not million. So we do have a little bit of liquidity up here on the NASDAQ too. NASDAQ right here, right around 562, which, what is the high today? High today is 539. We didn't get a lot of movement here at 9 o'clock, top of the hour. So can they go ahead and push it? Push it. Yeah. 1 million. I have a whole bunch of videos on volume profile. I have a whole playlist. If you go to, let's go to the tubes, show you how to set up the settings, which I'm gonna remake some of the videos, but let's go look, make sure we can find them. Yeah, so if you come right here to the channel, go to playlist, and then go right here to where it says volume profile. I got 21 videos. So got a bunch of videos all down here. So let's go to the channel and then click on playlist. And I think the first video will show you all the settings and whatnot. It'll show you how to create the 30-minute volume profile and the weekly with the composite profile as well. Oh, where is that message? Oh man, let's look at it. Let's go looky. We got a little report card action in. It's a little bit bigger, so I can get the whole thing in one screenshot. Let's go look at that account. First ever. This is the first ever TPT account. Not mine. Not mine, but let's go look at it. This is Mongo's report card. All right, he's had down days, up days. This is, I believe, in his funded account. 217 trades. Let's see. It looks like $9,800. First day minus 1,600. Next day plus minus 430, plus 1,370, plus 1,080, plus 586, plus 1,100, plus 370, minus 1,279, minus 756, plus 2,334, plus $1.50, plus 2,126, plus 3,000. Plus 1,860. Man, good job on that. Where is that stat at here? Max biggest winning trade 1,900. Biggest losing trade 1,700. The only thing I would say, average gain versus average loss, if that could be a little bit better, but the results are still a banger. It's still good results. That's the only thing that I would pick on, is trying to get that number a little bit better. But other than that, it looks great. That's good stats. Fantastic. Awesomeness. Do-do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do. Yeah, I'm all right with it. I'm not upset. I mean, yesterday I was going on tilt, but today I'm just worried about having a down Friday. I don't want a down Friday, so I'm being a little bit, I'll be a lot slower on my trades. So, gotta take it nice and slow. Yeah, well, here's the problem. We had a pretty good run up overnight. So do we start to correct this at the opening? You see, we're having a little bit of a hard time. We come up here, we have a little consolidation. We have some wicks up here on the 30-minute candle. We have the developing value area high right here at 467. So if we do get below this, that's where the target down below us comes into play. 408 down to about, let's say 394-ish. Somewhere in that ballpark. So we'll see. Smart market. I think the market got mad at me yesterday for calling it stupid market. So well, hey, Paul, so no one said it's going to react at that level. So look, if you go over here to Mentor Q, for example, right? Pull this up and we look at, let's just say NQ. These big gamma strikes typically will act as a magnet. So attracting price to it doesn't mean you'll get a reaction back down from it. So you got to understand how they work. So all the dealers that are right here, once we start pushing above it, it could make them have to, start going with the market and start pushing a lot further. And that's where this backtest comes into play. So if you go to a summary under backtest results, this will do it by market condition too. So if you look at the call resistance, which is the nearest one above us right now, 56% of the time it holds. But when it breaks, on average, we move 141 points. So knowing that when we break, normally we go up 141 points. Well, guess what? If we start breaking above this call resistance, we better believe that we'll probably go a little bit higher. And look, we've already done it. We've already been a little bit above it. So as the day progresses, there's going to be a good chance that we go substantially above it. Now that level's at 500. So that would push us to 600 plus, 640-ish. So we'll see if we make it there today. We'll see. It'll give you percent of time when he goes above it and comes back down, closes back below it, along with the 1 day min and the 1 day max. Oh, where's that at? There we go. The options flow is a little bit negative here at the moment. So this morning, options flow is a little bit down, and the fact that we rallied up pretty good last night. we could be in for a little pullback this morning. So yeah, M2K for micros on the Russell. And FEG above us. Now you can see the double top right here, even on the 1 minute. Top one, top two. We break the neckline, down she goes. Now let's just draw this out real quick. How low would that be? It'd be all the way down here at 416. Oh, look what's down there. Oh, we got a VWAP down there. We'll see if that does play out or not. I do think at some point we get a return back to VWAP. We'll see if it's right at the open or not. Short term, we did get to be oversold a little bit, wee little bit. So. Go back to 50% retracement? Maybe. It could. We have a 9 count down here. I'm definitely thinking about maybe taking a crack at this. We break this low a little bit. I'm going to probably swing at it. We're all right here at value area high. Maybe I should be careful here. Maybe I shouldn't take that. I don't know. We have 9 count there. Use NAND to swing longer term. Oh boy. F it. Let's go. All right. I'm in. I know it's probably going to get me. We're trying to break below value area high. So we're going to see if it gets me or not. It may. And there goes. So hoping maybe we'd also bounce off that value area high, but we had that 9 count here. Pretty straight leg down. And we completed a little smaller ABC pattern right here. Played that at 479. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget the boop, that lucky like button. Yeah, right here, this is a daily volume profile. Yeah. So from 6 o'clock at night until 5 o'clock when the markets close, is when that profile is formed. That's all the time in here. You can see we've already had a 264 point range, a little bit less than we had yesterday at the open, but we'll see. Almost stopped me out here. I think I'm going to end up getting stopped out personally, but I wish I would have waited to get in. What time is it? Yeah, 15 minutes until the open. You gotta be careful about that too. Videotape? Are you doing talk to text? Yeah, I have a video on the trade copier. I got more videos that's going to be coming out soon. Green area on the Renko chart showing us short-term oversold in the market. Just because you're oversold doesn't mean the market has to bounce, as you're seeing. This doesn't work. It's going to put me in the red. You know, like I even said earlier, We break value area high. I want to focus down here, and here I am going long. Oh, man. So if we can get me out of this, get my money, we bounce up a little bit, and then I'm going to look to go short. I hope. Hopefully I don't go red before the market opens. That would stink. But we're having a hard time bouncing right here. What is... oil's down 3 cents. Gold's up 70. So gold was coming down. Let's go look at that real quick. Yeah, gold bounced right off VWAP, trying to bounce up. We got bonds down, so yields should be up a little bit. Really don't want it down Friday. I'm about to go green to red already. The trade will put me in the red for the day if it doesn't work. CCI is really negative. Fantastic. We're below the lower regression channel. I wish we had a trade detector bubble down here. I feel a little bit better about it, but I'm just trying to get a smidge, a little bit, not a lot. Did it take out London Open? It might. I closed it. All right, I'm down for the day. That was fun. That was fun. So we might come all the way down here. We might get all the way down there. Four or seven to about 393. Still think we're gonna. I don't know, man. I feel like we're gonna bounce. Yeah, we broke value area high. That's why I think we're gonna come down here. But so again, don't forget to vote. Pop or drop at the open. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Pop or drop? You see, we're trying to make our way down to this VWAP too. We talked about on the NASDAQ right here. Ooh, look at the wick on the ES. Yikes. Look, we're coming right into a little minus development area in the profile too. Nah, I wasn't short. We hit long a bit on the market being short-term oversold. Thought it might bounce, and I thought wrong. And I do know the options flow is negative right now. So, but I still think we're going to get a bounce at some point. We got about 10 minutes until the market opens. So I'm going to leave the poll up for about another 2 to 3 minutes. So if you guys do want to vote, pop or drop at the open. And what we'll be gauging that by is the first 1 minute candle. Does it close up or does it close down? And we'll see. And even though I know we have that target on the NASDAQ, it's really tempting me to want to take another counter trend little pop up. I'm going to wait though. I'm going to wait. Wait. Yeah, structure 7684. What time frame are you getting that off of? I can see it over here a little bit. Look, we have the view up on the ES down here at about 84. I'd be curious. So look at the 4-hour chart over here on the ES. That's quite the wick. And if you look at where that wick from, we talked about that earlier. Here was the structure breakdown point right there. We came back, tested it, and with a wick, that's not looking too good for the bulls. Now that candle is not closed until I think 10 o'clock. Yeah, 10 o'clock that candle closes. So, and we're still going down too. So, I'm running 8.1.8.1. I haven't upgraded the .2 yet. So this is really making me want to pounce on it. Oh, I really want to jump on it. I really. Hey, Crawford, what's up? Good morning. If you guys have yet, don't forget to smash that lucky like button. I don't know. I'm about to take should take another swing at this. But I'm kind of torn because we have the target down here. This would be ideally, come down here and then look for a buy down here. But ideally, and what I do could be two totally different things because I really want to swing at this. And good thing I have not swung yet because we're still going lower. Shake out the open. Yeah, is it going to shake out the shorts or shake out the longs? So. Hey, Lee, what's up? Hey, Lee, I still checked you on the email list. I still couldn't find you this morning. Man, I want to smack it. I want to smack it. I don't want to be in the trade when the market opens, though. Seeing bullish signs. Let's go. Let's get it. It's a pretty bearish candle right there. We got VWAP. Not too much. Not too much lower. You can see it right. Oh, that's on the ES. Right here, right below 420. With the VWAP, I do think we're gonna get a bounce. Might be a nice little poppy pop at the open. Maybe. Got the full move on the micros. Oh man, good job on that one, Raj. Man, killing it. 429 is not out of the question. We're not far away from it. So we're not far away. Should drop the VWAP and get a good bounce. Yeah, we're not far away from it. They've done a pretty good job though. Even you can see it on the 5-minute chart too. A little bit easier. Top one, top two. Oh, there we go. There we go. Do we have any news? I'm gonna go ahead and shut down the poll. Jeez, good thing I didn't jump on that. Good thing. That could have hurt. That could have hurt real bad. Jeez. All right, let's go look on the market on open orders real quick. What do we have here? So market on open orders, S&P 482 million sell side, NASDAQ 562 million sell side, Dow 161 million to the sell side. All right. Let's see. Let's see. $347. No, we got VWAP right here at. We just hit it right there. Just shy of 420. We just kissed it right there. Little smoosh. Mwah. Got it. We weren't so close to the open. I'd probably take a swing, but gotta wait. We still have this zone down here we talked about. I said earlier in the market too, in the stream, if we break 467, this will be a good shorting target location. We came pretty darn close. If I would have just shorted that break, 48 points. Oh, you stupid. Stupid. So. Nice little bounce. Nice little bouncy bounce. Let's go. Man, we got 2 minutes to the open. All right, jumped on the ES here. Jeez. I don't want to be in this when the market opens. I'm going to take it. Take it. So I'm up a little bit more than I was last night. Woohoo. That's a pretty big rip. Raj said straight line to VWAP. Expect a good bounce. There we go. We got it. He saw the future. Who took advantage of it? Who took advantage of it? I seen that big move down. We started ripping back up on the ES and I smacked it. Should have hit the NASDAQ. NASDAQ probably would have made more money on it, but I was a little bit scared to get my face ripped off. So I went with the ES instead. Don't forget, smash that lucky like button. Get it. Do. You're short at 720. Just got out for 60 points. All right, here we go. We're coming up on the open. We've got about 20 seconds-ish. Yeah, you almost bought it. That's the thing. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. If you don't, it's good trades don't last for long, as we talked about earlier. It's not like, we get down by a VWAP. Let me think about it. Yeah, you know, maybe. Nope. Boom. Right off it. All right, here we go. Ding, 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 ding. Market's open. Majority of the chat voted for a pop. Initial reactions to the downside. Right back to the VWAP again. That's the movement. Let's see that right there. 63 points. The market, this candle's not closed yet, so the pops still have a shot. They could have it right. And don't forget, we still have the target down here on the volume profile. Do we make it down that zone? We may. We flush this low. We might make it down there. Yeah, I don't think the pops are going to win this. We got 10 seconds. Hit the VWAP again. Shook out that little low right there. Do we stay below it or not? All right, so the pops were wrong. The majority was wrong. We definitely dropped on that opening candle in let's go look. We're almost here at the minus development area we talked about earlier on the stream. Now I want to see down in this area, do we get a rejection out of that area? If so, I'm willing to be a buyer. I'm willing to be a buyer down in this zone. Let's see if we can get it. Can we get it? See the highlighted area down here? So we're coming up into it. Just with the P point now. All right, there we go. Bada bing, bada boom. We got the zone. We got into the zone. So I'm gonna look for any reason to try to get long out of here. Yeah, short term, we got to be oversold there. A little bit late to the party there. A little late on that button push. All right, got me on that one. All right. They got me. I guess we going lower. How much are we up right now? NASDAQ still up 69. And short term, we're oversold again. All right, one target off. Come on, go up more. Go up more. Go up. I'm going to take it. Thank you very much. All right. Definitely at new session highs as we speak. But let's go look at the ETFs real quick. I want to look at the gaps. So start off looking at the Dow real quick. I'm sorry. DIA. Big gap up. Probably going to come down, fill the gap. We'll see. SPY on the move back down. SPY right now is at 0.31. RSP 0.37. So that's actually good. IWM. Big gap up. We'll see if it gets down in the gap. We did gap. It looks like IWM gapped right into the gap from yesterday. And we got the Qs. Qs are doing more of a job of coming down to that gap. SMH. SMH, big gap up. So NASDAQ itself looks weaker than the SMH. No data match your criteria. All right, let's see. I don't know what's going on there. Why can I not see the heat map? No, it's just broke. So I guess the heat map's just down for the time being. That kind of stinks. Takes away one of my tools. But that's all right. And let's go look at the volatility index. VIX is still down. VIX down 56 cents. But you see it's trying to pop up here a little bit. Nice. Hey, good job on that one, Scoot. Good job. Look, we're all the way down below the developing value area low. Are we still going down? Down, 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 down. We're smacking it down pretty good. Crude oil is up only 10 cents. Watch for a touch of the daily opening price. Yeah, it's at 327. I don't know. I'm liking that wick. I kind of want to jump on this. Well, maybe not. I almost hit the button as we were coming down the EMAs. I almost bought it. But it just went. Brrr. Yeah, I only went long. I didn't get any of it. I talked about the short coming down to our zone and I got none of it. All right, we're still going down lower here. Let's see if we hit that. Do we hit the opening price yet? Not yet. We almost did. Opening price right below us. So EMA start looking like they're going to firm up. I'm going to smack it long. If they do. They might not. They gave up everything from last night. Said, yeah, that's cute. Let's go down. What time is it? 9:36. Probably jump this a little bit early. Yeah. And there we go. We did get the opening price. Man. Can't see your... Oh. I didn't realize on the other one. See, can we get a little pushy push? Let's see, can we get a big pushy push? Please and thank you. Please? Pretty please. Sugar on top. A little bit more. Hopefully I'm not overstaying my welcome here. Let's close it. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Overstayed my welcome. That's all right. It wasn't a loss, but I was up a lot more on it. The yes looks like it's trying to firm up a little bit. Yes looks a little bit better. Not crazy, but a little bit better than the NASDAQ. I watched it jump over my word twice. Oh. Ended up being a win. I couldn't move my target up quick enough. That one let me move my target up, but still was coming down. Oh yeah, ES started weakening again as well. That was still up 280. We're still up pretty decent. 1.2 booked. Option slow data is still pretty negative as I keep trying to buy it. We're working on bar number 9 right here too. Front running that bar number 9. Hope I get a little poppy pop. I move my stop in the money. Trailing the stop up. All right. Hey, new session highs, so pretty happy with that. New session highs. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Now watch, this is gonna be the big ripper. We do got a 9 count down here. We came down substantially. Let's go look at a fib retracement from the lows of yesterday afternoon all the way up here to the high. We just basically spiked right down below the 61.8. And that could set up an ABC pattern up if we can come up here and take out the swing high. All right, I'm not convinced yet we're done going down 100%. So I'll wait till we get up a little bit more before I actually draw the ABC pattern out. So slow grind higher. There we go. Quick little scalp there. Did not get a chance to move my target. Just look at, oh, just long gold. That was a FOMO entry right there. Gosh darn it. I'm not going to move my target up because that was a bad entry. I FOMO'd it. A little upset with that one. I FOMO'd it. I was trying to push to 1K and just FOMO'd that entry. Pull back just a little bit here. I'm going to hit it again. That's even worse of a FOMO entry. Dog it. It's 2 back to back. I really want to get in down here at the EMAs. Hey, Alley Cat, what's up? Come on, Joker. Back down to where I started the stream, basically. Fantastic. We look over here at the options flow data. I know I keep fighting it. Still going down, and market's going down, and I'm going long. Smart. Short term, we did get to be oversold here. Dow's not looking nearly as bad. We look at a chart of YM real quick. Here's YM on a 5-minute. What about RTY? Not so hot. Here's the Qs. Horrible. And here's the S&P. Let's go look again. SPY. SPY still up 0.30. RSP is up 0.48. So, hey, heat map's back. All right, SpaceX down, Tesla's up. So we got Amazon down, Apple down. Apple and Amazon, the only two Mag 7 in the red. Walmart's down a little bit more again today. Chips are, Marvell's down, SanDisk down. AMD's up though. Huh. I don't know. Eyes don't need. Oh yeah, PMI numbers in 1 minute. Man, good looking out on that. I was getting ready to get in a trade. Jeez. Good looking out. I got 10 seconds till PMI numbers come out. So. All right, they're out. And NASDAQ's trying to go up here a little bit. Gotta smack it. So Flash came in at 53.2. A little bit less than expected. Not much. Flash services a little bit better than expected. So trying to get a little lift here. Dow's up 341. Yeah, push that like button. I'm gonna go green to red again. I'm gonna go green to red again. That'll be the second time today. That's not what I wanted. Gosh darn it. Trying to move my target up. It moved up too quick. Still think we want to bounce here a little bit. Maybe we have another 10 minutes before we bounce, but I'd like to see a little bit of a bouncy bounce. Because I want to see it doesn't mean it's going to happen, as we'll probably see. But we'll see. Can we push on up there? Push on up there, please and thank you. It's having a hard time really getting it. I'm gonna close it before it comes back on me. I'm starting to get scared. Starting to get scared. Bots must have blown their evals again. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Bots were upset they couldn't get into the duck race. And look, we're trying to come back down. So good thing I did take the little bit that I had in that last trade. Good thing I did. Yes, trying to come back down. Dow's still strong though. Crude oil is down 26 cents. So I gotta believe. VIX is still down 59 cents. VIX is saying, come on, guys, nothing to worry about. Come on in, the water is warm. So let's see. Ugh. Yeah, Opex. Yep. DAX is up 141. DAX trying to go back up. Our markets are not. So we keep plowing lower. Are we going to go all the way back down and take out these lows? Look, we're coming up towards the Asia session low on the NASDAQ anyways. ES has a little bit further to go. But any possibility of a bounce? I don't know. I keep trying for them. I win some, I lose some. I win some, I lose some. I can't get that big push I was hoping for. So, and then I just FOMO'd in one right there. God dog it. Purely FOMO'd. Pure FOMO friggin' trade. Just gotta take it. It was a FOMO entry. I really want to move my target up. I don't like where I was in at. So I really want to see a nice little bouncy bounce back up. But let's see. Are they going to push it? Look, the ES to me looks a little bit more constructive than the NASDAQ. Look over here on the 1 minute. Here's the NASDAQ. Here's the ES. We got a trade detector bubble down there. Trying to get back above VWAP. Can we hold it? I don't know yet. Maybe. Hey, Jesse, good morning. Let's see. Yes, cumulative delta surging up. I feel like the ES is looking a little bit stronger than the NASDAQ over here. Yes, looking like it wants to pop. Still early though. We can still take a dump down. Keep in mind, we still have these gaps. A lot of people are going to be looking at the gaps this morning. So are we going to get down the gap, or are we going to try to push back up? See, we're trying to come back down here. NASDAQ just started to go back down once again. Yes, trying to go back down. So. I don't know, man. I might take a swing here. Coming off that oversold area. I don't know. We went down a little bit lower. I didn't mind breaking the low right here, but a little bit lower than I was hoping for. So maybe I'll wait just a little bit. Oh crap. Hey, look at the low of the day. Hey, NASDAQ's about to break the low, the Asia session low right here. NASDAQ's down for the night, for the day. All the gains last night have been given up. Almost at the low. Low. I think we're gonna probably sweep this low. But then we'll see, do we come back up or do we flush? But we still have this ABC target down here at 752. Could be in the cards today. Maybe. But we're right there at it. I'm trying to wait and see if we're going to sweep that low or not. I was really wanting to swing at this. If this would have went down below this, the Asia session low, I would have swung at it, but we didn't get down there. So no good for me. No goods. Now look at the ES. ES didn't cut through the low yet as much as the NASDAQ. It might. The NASDAQ, we had that little shelf here, went down a lot further than the ES, at least at this point. We'll see if the ES plays catch up. So look, I'm watching the red line right here. All right, there goes the break. So we got the overnight lows. Looking for a little scalp here. All right, dirty dog. All right, got a little scalp there. Thank you very much, Mr. Market. I know I probably could have got more, but. No little scalp there. Thank you very much. I do like the trade detector bubble. We do have right down here. We did. So look, we swept the Asia lows. Now can we hold above them? If so, can we then start to rally back up? That would be my MO. That would be the ideal situation. All right, short term, we're starting to get overbought. Let's see if we can just pull back here a little bit, get out of this area, and then maybe look for a long. Maybe. Here, FOMO entry again. That's what you get. You FOMO in, and that's what you get. Almost 252. Oh, that was on the ES down there. Trade detector bubble on the ES, not on the NQ. There we go. There we goes. All right, pretty happy with that one. Thank you, Mr. Market. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so look, we have the opening range right here. So look, we get back above this opening range, the red line. That's going to come in at about 312. We get above that, close above that. I probably want to start playing micros up towards 400. So just gonna wait for that candle to close. I did. We'll play one micro up there. This will be my micro trade. I'm gonna try to get out around 400. Maybe I'll front run that just a little bit. So here's the micro trade I just put on. We'll see how it pans out. Nice. 1600. Let's get it. Good deal. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm hoping to get at least another 130 today. Call that a win after yesterday. That'd be a big win. Big W. NASDAQ's the only one of the 4 indices in the red. They're just trying to come back here a little bit, though. You need 2K on your new 50K Pro. Yeah, that'd be nice. Because then you'll be over the buffer. No more intraday trillion drawdown. No, give me a shot to get in. Pull back down to 200 real quick. All right, you pull back there. Let's see. Are you going to push up and out for me? Please and thank you. I'll take it. Thank you very much. All right. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm happy with that. Happy, happy, happy. All right, so it's 10 o'clock. Is this going to be the low of the session? Let's do a little poll real quick. Has the NQ put the low in for the day? What do you guys think? Yes or no? Just put the poll into the chat. What do you guys think? Yay or nay? Is the low in for the day? Trying to rip up now. I could have got more out of that last trade, but hey, I'm fine with that. Keep in mind, we swept the Asia low. So we got downward, back slightly above it. Slightly. We'll see if we can keep above it for the remainder of the day. Oil right now is down 36 points, 36 cents. Gold's up 67. Problem is bonds are down, so I would think yields are up a little bit. Yeah, 10-year yield sitting at session highs. Looking like it really wants to run that ABC target. That's going to be a problem for the markets. So, yeah. And yeah, I have that one micro trade. I'm trying to front run this 400, the midpoint of the opening range. Are we going to be able to get it? We might not. We'll have to see. Can we get it? Can we? Hmm. 29,400. And then smash the sell button. It might, but hey, sometimes we do rally. We do push all the way past that midpoint and go all the way to the other side of the opening range high. We'll see if we can get up in there. We're having a hard time so far. We're having a very, very hard time. Really just depends. Really depends. Like some days the micros are better. Some days the scalps are better. Where I get the scalps right, those days are bigger than just trade micros. Because you get more per point. Then if I can get some of those to turn into a runner, whew, now we're good. We're golden. Come on. That's not one. Ooh, we got a trade detector bubble. If we do have a trade detector bubble down here, do I dare take a lot of swingy swing? Regression channel is still right now pretty steep to the downside. Pretty steep. Yeah, hey, Dollar Steve, they whack, smacked it right down. I don't know. We're going to find out. Will it dump all day? Will it not? We saw the Dow at 354 points. So the Dow is holding up relatively well. If we look at the YM. Yeah, it doesn't look that good there. DIA looked better. Oh, wait, that was the daily. That's why. Look, DIA is taking out new session highs. All right, let's look at the YM now. Yeah, look, YM there, right back near session highs. And we look at RSP, equal weight S&P 500. Look, it's trying to take out session highs. Now, I really believe it's probably going to pull the ES and maybe NASDAQ up a little bit with it. No, there's a couple different. I got is a video on this channel or the other channel. Oh, I can't remember now. I think the video is on the other channel. I think. But there's a couple different settings you can use for the trade detector bubbles. Maybe I'll do a video on that. Because you can have it where it looks at block trades. But all it's looking for, the way I have it set up, is looking for large trades. Aggression on one side or the other. Like that trade detector bubble right there. If you hover over it, you see there is 81 aggressive buys. So it's just signifying a big buy, a big order. Could be a big buy, could be a big sell. Yeah, I have another channel I was doing shorts and stuff on, and I was doing some of the videos that I didn't think we'd get a lot of views on the main channel. But I'm probably just gonna roll them all into this channel, honestly. That's what I'm thinking. But we'll see. All right, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. I need this to go up so my micro can make some money. Micro right now is currently underwater, $11. Oh, just seen green. Oh. So again, that target on that, I'm just trying to front run the midpoint of the opening range. So will we get it? Will we not? Time will tell. So hopefully we do. Hopefully it goes right on up there. Let's get it. Let's get it. Can they make it up there? Just go. Hopefully it'll get up there. Yeah, I'm just trying to front run that 400, that midpoint of the opening range. That's it. So we'll see. Can we make it up there? In the meantime, though, I do have decent little trade going over here on the ES too. Let me just move this up a little bit. The peel went off. We got to stop up. There we go. There we goes. I'll just trail it up, see if we can make it back up. But watch this. We got the NASDAQ, see if we can get up towards that 400. Hit the target on that micro. It's kind of starting to stall out here. I'm going to take it. I don't like the fact that it's stalling out, so I will gladly accept it. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh boy, let's go see the report card. Let's go looky, looky, looky. Oh, not now? Okay. I was getting all excited. $Steve's been having some great results. Great. If you guys haven't yet, smash that lucky like button. Let's see if we can get to 200 likes, which means we need about 37 more likes. We have 300 people in here, so not too much to ask. We are going to be giving away 4 Take Profit Trader accounts today. Oh, I need to go check my email real quick. See if they've emailed me from last night. No, not yet. Nope. All right. I appreciate everybody that's pressing the like button. Again, let's see if we can run up here. Looking at the midpoint right here. Can we get the midpoint? Please and thank you. Free account for free likes. Yeah, see, it's an even trade. I give you something free, you give me something free. Give the YouTubes what they want. Oh, man. We did got another report card in too. I didn't see it until just now. Let's go look. Let's go looky, 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 looky. Yeah, I don't want to screenshot that. I'm afraid I might get account numbers. You know what? I can do 2 separate screenshots. Hold on. Let me just look at them. No account number there. Ugh. Okay, let me Bill. All right, hey, here's Paul's results. Paul Rodriguez. Let's go check it out. Check it out. Oops. So here's his results of the day. 231 in that account, and in the PA accounts, 322 and 176. Nice. Good deal. Good deal. Loving it. Love seeing other people do well. All right, I'm going to close out the poll. Looks pretty evenly split. 51% say they believe the low is in for the day. So, is it not? There we go. There we go. We're having a hard time right here. The market's like, do we really want to get up there? Well, it gets above the opening range low, and then like, maybe we'll go a little bit lower. It's having a hard time getting any behind it. Let's go back and look at that heat map again. So we have Nvidia down. That's a problem. Apple's down. That's two of the big waiting out there. SpaceX down. Amazon down. Walmart's down again. And some of the chips are starting to get weak. MU's down. Intel, AMD. AMD was up earlier. Marvell's down. Hey, look at the VIX. VIX is down 63 cents. VIX like, come on in, guys. The water's warm. Nothing to worry about. What could possibly go wrong? Yields are going up a little bit today. Nothing crazy, just a little bit. Oil's down 35 cents. Gold's trying to go up. So if we go look over here. Come in. Gold's trying to move back up here a little bit. Oh boy. They're trying to smack it down. And NASDAQ's definitely the weakest, down 32 points at the moment. I thought about looking for a little bounce here. We're down here by support, but I don't want to take up. There goes new low of the day. All right, so we have our answer. The low was not in for the day. Was not. Now, do we come down and break the low from yesterday? The 752 is looking more and more like we might try to make our way down there. We might make our way down there. Definitely seeing a little bit more weakness creep into this market. ES had a spoof order. We still got a pretty big order down here on the ES. 7670. 773 contracts. I have a hard time reading the text in the green background. Wish I could change the color of it. Wonder if I can. Coming up on new lows. New lows. Timber. All right, let's go look at SMH real quick. Oops. SMH, not G. Ooh, look at SMH. Gapped up. Bam. Got the smackdown. Not looking so good. SMH is not helping out the NASDAQ whatsoever. RSP. RSP is near session highs. The SPY is trying to maybe go back up, but so the EMA or the VWAP itself does not affect the market going up or down. All they're doing is measuring what's already happened. Now, the VWAP, where it does become significant with institutional traders, I had the opportunity to talk to another one my last trip to Costa Rica. And, when they get big orders where they have to execute, let's say they have to sell hundreds of thousands of shares, they better be selling it at VWAP or above it. If they're selling it below it, they're not getting the customer a good price, and that customer will take their business elsewhere. So that's why a lot of times you'll see reactions off VWAP. So people that had investors that had to buy, or the hedge funds that had to buy and whatnot, mutual funds, as we're coming down there, whoop, they buy it because, hey, we're at VWAP, I can go ahead and fill some of my customers' orders. They rip it up. So Now, the last guy I talked to, the first guy that told me about that, that was probably back in 2013, 14, 15. I don't remember. It was a long time ago. And then this last trip, I talked to a guy. He's worked at with a lot of different firms. And he's been buy side, he's been sell side. And I was asking him a little bit more. He says it really depends on what the VWAP was at the time in which the order had to be executed. So sometimes they get orders and they have to have all the shares executed within this window. So. Yeah, SMH is just croaking the NASDAQ. NASDAQ's not having a good time. The chips have been bloated and, you know, it's causing NASDAQ to have a hard time. See NVIDIA. Look, NVIDIA's at the low of the day. If NVIDIA can't bounce, it's going to be harder for the NASDAQ to go up. It's just, let's see. How can I not find it? I can't find the website I usually use for it, but I was gonna bring it up. You see, trying to go back down here a little bit more on NVIDIA. You know, probably gonna break the low of the day again. So ES has not come back down to a low. We have the Dow up 385 points. Here goes new lows on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ's down 58 points. 59, 60. Oh, you're new? Well, hey, welcome. Still waiting on 202? You might get it. If we're getting close to your 202, learn the hard way. 45 trillion by the end of the month? Yeah, that'll be a problem. That debt is getting out of control. Last night, you know, I stopped trading at, I don't know. I did. So last night we were trading the Apex in the My Funded Futures accounts. I was trying to get them up, get them back up where they're basically back to break even from what I lost yesterday on them. And we did that last night on stream. So I was like 900 and almost $1,000 in those accounts, 990 or so. And then I didn't trade them no more last night. My account, I only did the trade right around the open last night. So I was only up 300 last night. I focused mostly on the prop accounts. And we're still barreling lower. We have the Russell only up 7.5. Let's go look at that real quick. Mr. Russell, RTY. Russell dumped out pretty good. So the only thing really holding up, or the one holding up the best, is the Dow Jones. It's up here near session highs. So we got to be careful. All right, we have lower targets that could be in play. Or looks like the NASDAQ's trying to challenge yesterday's low. Which, what price is that? That's at 202. Learn the hard ways aiming for. Crypto was, or at least Bitcoin was really rocketing earlier. Where's it at now? It's still up there. It's not all the way at the tippy top, but doing fairly well. All right, I just added to my micro M&Q. So we do have a nine count down here. So I am down on that micro. So I'm down 135 on that. So we never got the push. I was hoping right here we were going to get the push up towards here. We did not. Now, if I was trading this on a mini, the way I would have played that, I would have my stop below this candle right here that broke above it. And it would have been stopped out. Plain and simple. And I'm hoping to do a video about that next week sometime. So that's my goal. Hey, I was down. Hey, trying to get my micro back in the green. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. That was a pretty good little ripper right there. 220 all the way back up towards 273. Oh, nice. Good job on that, Steve-O. And don't forget, guys and gals, we have 4 Take Profit Trader accounts we're going to be giving away here in just a little bit. So if you guys do want a chance to win, make sure you're on the email list. First link in the description box down below. Smash that lucky like button. Let's see if we can get the 200 likes. So. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hey, see you later, Chris. Thanks for stopping by, hanging out with us. Man, I really want to kind of go long here, but I need to keep it at bay. Again, yesterday was horrible. I blew up all my funded accounts, blew up everything. The only thing that wasn't affected was my live account, which I kind of wish the $5,000 loss would have been in my live account, not what I paid in prop accounts. So I feel like I could get that back a lot sooner than what's going to take me to rebuild all these prop accounts back up. So. No, hey, I spent $4,911.10 in prop accounts yesterday. Going full port. So that's a 5K loss. So it was a bad one, but it is what it is. Losses do occur. Because I lost it yesterday. I really think it would have been funny if I had a camera up and I could go back and rewatch it. I'd be laughing like, you stupid mother beep. So rookie numbers. Maybe. I mean, I'm sure there's people that do worse, but that's not normal for me. Like I don't know if I've ever had it that bad. So I think that's the most I spent in one day on prop accounts. I think I made a new record. So not a record that I'm proud of, but it is what it is. And don't forget too, Take Profit Trader sale is going to be running out soon. So 50% off. You guys want to check it out? Use code Mike. I could really appreciate you using code Mike now after yesterday. Oh man. Hey, here's the funny part. I had 2 funnies. I was in a hurry trying to hurry up and, buy the accounts. Paid full price for the Tradify accounts. Thankfully, I reached out to support and they credited the difference back to me. But then I couldn't figure out what the TPT code was. I tried no fee 50. I had to go on social media and find a code. Oh man. Hey, Quady, I appreciate you using the code. Hey, Lambo, I tell people that all the time. Like, I normally am not one where I have a medium-sized down day. Usually it's either very small and contained or it's a dumpster fire. Yesterday was a dumpster fire. If you think about how much drawdown I lost, we were talking about this last night on stream. Had this have been a live account, all those losses. So I had $4,500 drawdown in the 150K accounts. I had at least 15 of those. All right, just off the initial that before I started the buying spree. That's $67,000 in drawdown. Poof, gone. So Hey, Deep Charts, what's up? Yeah, we haven't done the giveaway yet. And the winners from last night, I have not got emailed yet saying the accounts have been transferred over yet. They will be, just have not been yet. So, and we're gonna be giving away quite a bit of accounts. So tomorrow's video, got some accounts we're gonna be giving away. We might even give away. We might even do more than 4 today. I don't know yet. Yeah, if I made 67, the biggest day I've ever had is 69,000 and some change, but it was reckless. Like, it was not like, ooh, I got the A+ entry, just YOLO. It was just, I'm just going to DCA the crap out of trades. Put a trade on, DCA, put a trade on, add to it. It was dumb. Throwing out big contracts. But I was doing it while I traded at work, and I knew the work was going to pay my bills. So I could afford to be reckless. I can't afford to be reckless now. So. Apex, I got 50Ks now. Yeah, I've had several 10K days, but I've only had a handful of 20K plus days over 20 something years. I haven't had a whole bunch of them, so they've been far and few between. And most of them came from being pretty aggressive. So it's one of the reasons I really started liking trading in Asia, because when I had the big days, what I would do is first trade out of the chute, I'd risk everything I made in Asia on that first trade. If that worked, then I'd risk half of what I had made for the day and just keep risking half of what I made until finally I lose or I'm done trading for the day. And I had really big days, but you get back a lot of your profits too. So, but I knew the bills were being paid. I didn't have to live off my trading account, so it didn't matter. That's really hard. You know, the prop firm space is very competitive now. My Fund and Futures new end of the day trailing drawdown on 50K account, rapid, you can get daily payouts, is pretty awesome. But for a newer trader, I'd probably say go with the cheapest account, which at that point would be Apex. They're the cheapest account because you're probably going to fail. You're probably going to blow up. So it'd be better to lose less money than more money. But then once you get to where you got your bearings, you're like, hey, I got this. I understand how the prop accounts work. Then, maybe roll over to Lucid, Tradeify, and take off a trader. Tradeify, 3K. No, hey, 4 legs. I haven't seen the Tradeify 3K legs. I don't know anything about it. I might have to research that. I don't know anything about it, unfortunately. Streaming and stuff, as much as I've been doing, I don't have a lot of time to browse the internet and stuff lately. So, and you guys see almost all of my trades. I only get the trade at 6 around the open by myself. And if I decide to trade after the stream, most of the time I don't trade after the stream. Why? Yesterday, I thought I had to pass an account. Come to find out, the account was a one-time fee account. So there was no monthly recurring fee. Oh, that's the even funnier part about it. That's the even funnier part. Wow, it's only 10:30. Hey, so it's 10:30. So now after we put the low in, we do have the 9 count down here. Not too far away from the VWAP bands. Dow's up 369. Russell's up 11. SP's up 20. Yeah, lockout button. Yeah, I wish I would have been locked out of all my accounts. Gosh, that sucked. That was horrible. Lost my TPT accounts. Lost everything. Lost every single account I had yesterday. No count survived. Oh, no, I lie. The account that we had the VWAP challenge going on, that one survived only because it hit its daily loss limit. All the other accounts kaboomed. Kaboom, boom. So, yeah, Nvidia is not playing today. Let's see, does it even look like it wants to bounce? If Nvidia does bounce, probably get a pretty decent bounce in the market. Now on the 5 minute, how many down candles is this in a row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This will be the 9th consecutive down candle if it closes red. Look, it's starting to go up, and look at the NASDAQ. Just ripped on that little blip on Nvidia. Little tiny blip. Now, hey, if we look at yesterday's volume profiles, 269, we went below it. We're now back above it. It does say 342 would be the next target. What's the high on this candle right here? 342 is a logical target to the upside to play, as long as we stay above 269. I might want to get involved in some of that. Yeah, bounces weak so far. We'll see what happens. We have gold up 82. Crude oil's down 20 cents. I'd like to see a big old just ripper. Just I don't know. I have no idea. I know yesterday I spent almost 5,000. I haven't spent as much this year. I haven't blown up a ton of accounts. I mean, yesterday I did, but I've been pretty good in terms of not blowing up accounts this year until yesterday. Yesterday I was making up for it. Oh boy. Oh boy, was I making up for it. So. Yeah, they're all gone. It's going to take a while to get it all back. Oh man, good job there. Hey, I think Jesse just sent a report card in. It's going to come through my watch. There it goes. Let's see. Woo! Mr. passes evals on the regular. Nice. Hey, good job, Jesse. Ah, dang it. What are you doing way up there? There you go. So look, he made it almost $3,000. This is day number 3, I believe, for him too. So 159. So he's about 100, almost $200 over, $100 to $200 over what he needs to pass the TPT accounts. Congrats. Give it up. Give it up. Hey, good deal, Jesse. Where you make 3K. Huh. Oh, it's Top Step. All right, Top Step. Yeah, I did hear somebody talking about Top Step having some 3K account they were talking about last night. All right. I was wondering, I was like, I didn't hear about Tradeify having that, but. Ruh-roh. Trying to come back down. Now, hey, on this little push down here, I feel like the ES is a little bit weaker now than the NASDAQ. So. Oh, it's already sold out? Oh, it's only limited amount. Jesse's a pro again. Hey, Jesse, so slow it down this time. Take the advice that you were giving me yesterday. Usually after the stream, I talk to Jesse for a little bit. He didn't hear from me yesterday until all the carnage have already happened. He's like, you're trading? I thought you were out on your e-foil today. Nope. I wish I would have been. Yeah, it's hard to take your own advice. Yeah, it is. Carry him home. Let's see. Is Nvidia taking out the lows and how that candle closed on Nvidia? We did get an up candle on Nvidia, barely, just enough to be a green candle, basically. And look, Nvidia, Apple. This is getting rid of Marvell down 6%. Yeah, that's not good. Not good. And what's funny is the VIX is down 54 cents. I was trying to pop up here a little bit, but VIX is like, nah, we're good. Yeah, swim with it. I don't know. I don't know if swimming with the sharks would have been better than yesterday. Yesterday was just more frustration. You know, you know, when I think about it, it's like, I don't know. It was just dumb. That's all I can say. Dumb, dumb, dumb. JD saying, sell it. Sell it. I do like this pattern kind of over here in the NASDAQ. You had to push down, and then you kind of have this little channeling going like this. A lot of times we'll get one more push, and then whoop, it'll rip up. Now, I wonder if this was the last push or if we get one more, and then we get a little bounce. I don't know. I don't know. I don't want to force anything and do anything too stupid either. Start going to convulsions after what happened yesterday. Yeah, I traded since April. Wow. Yeah, I've never taken any time off trading. Like, I haven't missed very many days since 2005. Day one, I was trapped in a trade in Costa Rica. We left, there was no internet. That wasn't my fault, but I'm always. Oh, I found it. I don't want to show it on here. But hey, so I sent Jesse and some other friends a screenshot. I was at Disney with the family. When the camera took our picture, I'm on the ride trading on my phone. Oh man, good times. My wife gets a picture. She goes, "You couldn't have waited. You had to do it where the camera was." So, pretty funny. Pretty funny. Nice little rip up here. Hey, look, we could get a possible ABC pattern up. Let's map this out real quick. We got to break the B point up here, though, without going back below 264. So the B point we have to break is going to be 312. Then the target's 356. And if you remember right, that's very close near this point of control right here at 342. I said if we stay above 269, good shot we make it back to 342. Gotta frame that photo. Yeah, I was just going. It came up in the memories just the other day. Oh, that was a horrible photo. That's gonna be so far back. Wish I could find it and show you. Oh boy. Yeah, I don't have time to go through that right now, but it was pretty funny. All right, so let's see. Are they going to be able to pop it? I don't know. Let's see. I might go for a little scalp. See if we can get this push up. Also could be like a little bull flag too. Here's a flag. Oops. Here's a flag pole. This will be the little flag out here. Do we break the 1 day minimum? I don't think so. Yeah, 1 day minimum is way down here at 928. And on the ES, it's way down here at 03. Now we do have the GEX 1 down here around 7650-ish. Where's GEX 1 on? Yeah, GEX 1's down here. Right above the 1 day max. 20,950. So, yeah. Yeah, so a double bottom. I don't know. I think we're going to break it. Hey, because now the Dow's even giving it up a little bit too, where Dow is stronger. I think we're going to end up rolling over. Look at YM. YM, little double top action, top one, top two. We break the neckline down here. 50,077. Probably get down around this area. Hey, Pat, what's up? Don't forget, guys and gals, it's free to hit that lucky like button. Try to get 12 more likes. Can you guys get us there? Yay or nay? Today's a good market. That's not bad. I'm happy at the moment. That could change with the next trade. So what happened to my ABC pattern potentially? I'll try. Look, we did break. So look, we never broke the B point and we already came back down a little bit. We can technically move this down, but that's going to change the target. Let's just see where the 786 is. So as long as we don't go below 240 before breaking the high, then we can keep dragging this down to wherever the low is. But if we go below 240, it's too low, too deep of a retracement. I will not be looking for the ABC pattern back up. Now, if we would have already taken out the swing point up here and we came back down, then we could not move that level because the pattern would have already been validated. And at that point, it would have been a busted pattern. Right now, the pattern is not truly validated. We're just hoping it's going to turn into an ABC pattern and then we can start to target 350. So if you do jump in early, just know that the pattern is not truly validated yet. All right, they got me with the chirps. A little bit late, but. All right, another little scalp real quick. I like that 350. Let's see if we can get up there. And that little push is helping out the micro trade from earlier. So put one on, added one. Up just over $100 in that. Thank you. It's touching 20-day. I missed it by a few ticks. Oh, were you short on the ES? Hey, so whenever I look for a target, I always front run my target, and sometimes they'll still stop before that level. But so if I'm ever targeting like, hey, I think we're gonna go right to the swing point up here, even if I think that, right, instead of put my target right there at that, I would move my target a little bit before it, just to give me better odds of my target being hit. I can't tell you how many times I've had the market just reject right away from my target. It's like, whoa, it's going to be good. Oh, shoot. So. Let's see. Yeah, I do like the little push we're getting. Again, remember 350 is the target. 350 is the target on the NASDAQ. And if you want a little sooner target, 342, that'd be the point of control, and that'd be the volume profile rotation trade on the way up. So 342 to 350 first stop. Then above that, I'm really looking at right around 400. Because that's where the midpoint is of the opening range. Right here. So let's see if we can get on up there. Get it. Dow's back up over 300, 318. I mean, it just depends. I mean, it is important, but is it the most important thing? Not necessarily. But if you have a high gamma level, high gamma exposure level, one, a lot of times it'll act as a magnet and attract price up to it. But then more importantly, let's say you had a high gamma level, you're way below it. You start getting above it. Now all those dealers have to hedge. They have to start going with the market. So then you get a real fast runaway market, or drop to the downside. Same thing. in reverse. So it's good to know where those levels are at. But in trading, there is no holy grail. And what tool may be good today may not be the tool that you want to pull out of the toolbox tomorrow. So if you're a breakout trader, for instance, you're buying breakouts. Hey, on trend days, hey, that is the best strategy to have. But a majority of the time, the market's doing this as it's going up. Probably not that good of a strategy. So, hey, if I look at this, could this be an inverse head and shoulders? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder? Maybe. Information overload could happen too. Does make it more challenging. I told this story in the past that the first time I knew what I wanted to look at in the footprint charts, but the first time I started trading footprint charts, I went from consistently making money to losing money for 3 months. Because I had all these other shiny objects. Oh, wow, look at this. Oh, and it destroyed me for 3 months. We got some trade detector bubbles right here. I might end up pouncing on this. I mean, the simpler you keep it, the less likely you're going to make mistakes. See if we can get a nice little, I'd love to be able to ride this all the way to 350. Reality is that probably wouldn't happen, but probably get out early if it goes in my favor. It's a big if. I'm hoping these trade detector bubbles will get some more buyers. Let them defend their position a little bit. They're going to make me nervous, all this chopping back and forth. Cause me to exit. Stupid market. Stupid market, you agree? Yesterday was stupid market. Now, in all reality, yesterday was stupid Mike. But come on, just get a quick little rip up and I'm going to move my stop. Move my stop. Now, I'd love to see if I could use... Now it's definitely a stupid market. I went down there just to get me and now it's going to freaking go up. An Apex 50K trail, if I gain $1,000 next day... No, hey, so in the Apex trailing drawdown, every time your account makes a new equity high, the drawdown will move up. So you'll never have, the max you'll ever have is $2,000. That's the max. If you're up on a trade, let's say you're up $1,000 on a trade, you close it out for break even, you just lost $1,000 of drawdown because as you were up $1,000, then the drawdown moved up also. Yeah, once you make 52,000, well, no, hey, in the eval, it keeps trailing. Once you're funded, it quits. But in the eval with Apex, it keeps trailing all the way to the finish. Exactly. Oh man, I felt bad for this guy. But there's a guy that was in a trade and he showed me the screenshots. I've seen it. He blew up his 50K Apex accounts. With like $54,000 or $55,000 of profit in it. He got in a trade. Big news move went up. Before he could hit close, it came back down and blew him up because of the trailing drawdown. But his blow up amount, his account balance after the blow up was still over the passing threshold. I was like, wow, that sucks. That's it. That's bad right there. That's horrible. That's the worst one I've seen out of people I talk to, or even that's happened to me. I was like, wow, you're special to be able to do that. No, it wasn't a payout. It was a eval. So it wasn't a payout. It was an eval. It was just a news spike he was in, and I don't know if it was a planned economic news or some just headline news came out. I can't remember. It just went poof, poof. And before he could hit close, he was like, oh my gosh. And it blew him up before he could hit close. So, and the eval just kept trailing all the way up. So, where if it was a funded account, the eval would have locked at 2,000. So he would have been fine. He would have still had money. He would have made money on the trade. $40 plus. There's another guy I know that he full ports news events to pass. He'll take a position before the news, full port. On the ES goes for 6.5 points. So, hey, Finite, what's up? Hey, Finite, you're here just in time for the TPT giveaway. Actually, you know what? We might do something special. Let me see. I don't know. I gotta log in and see how many accounts we have. We might do, which, oh, I still haven't got the email from last night. Let me just make sure I did email that. The right. Yeah, I did. Yep. Okay, so the ones that won last night, I still haven't heard back yet. I will at some point today. But I'm gonna see. Just came home from work. Oh boy, let's watch that 342 and 350 on the NASDAQ. I might see if the winners can maybe get 2 accounts. Maybe. I don't know. I can't promise you. So don't be mad at me. But I need to have counts for tomorrow too. The giveaway in the video tomorrow. Oh, I had enough points to buy a account yesterday too. Oh, you sorry piece of junk. Oh man, that's good stuff. Let me look at the calendar. Hey, so we'll see how duck race goes. Yeah, activation fee with, yeah, there is. It goes save me some money yesterday because I bought, so look, I blew up my TPT accounts. I bought 5 more, blew those up. Bought 5 more. I think I blew those up. And then I bought 5 more. Oh man. Nah, maybe I only bought. Hold on. I'm gonna go count. Let's go count the credit card statement. I don't really remember. Yesterday was just a blur. I was on a buying spree. Let's go see how many I actually bought. Oh, credit card. See there's how many TPT accounts I bought. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I bought 5 Apex. Then I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so that's at least 10 Take Profit Trader accounts I bought. No, I only bought 10 yes. Oh, nope. And then there's 1, 2. I bought 15 TPT accounts yesterday. Oh. Woo. Woo. Oh man. Jeez. That was $180 a pop. The TPT made some money off me yesterday. 180 times 15. Oh yeah, $2,700 of that 49. 11 went to TPT. But they're 150K accounts. The 50K accounts are cheaper, which I bought with all the other prop firms. So yeah, I even told Jesse, hey, I'm just gonna blow these my Apex and my MFF account. I'm just gonna blow them up at the open. I'm gonna buy new ones. He's like, don't do it. I was like, F it. I don't even care. I'm not mad. I just want a clean slate. He goes, bro, you still got $1,000 drawdown. I was like, yeah, I don't want to deal with it. He talks some sense into me though. So last night on the stream, we traded those, or I traded those versus spending all the time on my live account last night. So. So it was, still can't believe it. It's still kind of like, I can't believe I did that. Yeah, look, so 42 right here, 342 and 350. We called it out. We mapped it out. ABC pattern right up here. Are we going to get there? We may. I bought the EOD account. I bought the 5-pack EOD from Apex, and I bought the Tradeify Select 50K accounts. I bought the MFF Rapid EOD accounts. I bought them twice yesterday on the Rapid. The Tradeify, I bought those accounts, instantly made $1,000, and then I messed up and made another $200 because I clicked on the wrong account. I kept getting all the sim accounts mixed up for the copier, and I lead with a sim account, and I messed up. That's all it was. I was in full tilt mode. All logic was out the window, all the way out the window. So, is what it is. I'm human. I tell people all the time, I make plenty of mistakes. I have no problem admitting when I mess up. Yesterday was a big F up. So, it is what it is. Good news is I can't blow up any accounts tomorrow. So at least I have one day where I won't be blowing nothing up. But, and today hasn't went that bad so far. So let's see if we can get 2 more likes. Can we get 2 more likes out there? Just boop, boop. Who's it going to be? We're going to be giving away some. I'm making you guys a deal. Let's spice it up a little bit. We have 260 people in here. We get 250 likes. Some of the people have already come and gone. We get 250 likes. Each winner in the duck race, there's going to be 4 winners. Well, actually, we'll vote on it. We either do 8 separate winners, or each winner will get 2 accounts. If we get 250 likes. No, hey, I have my own live account finite, so I didn't trade that after the stream. That's the only saving grace yesterday. But I would have rather went on tilt in my live account, because then I don't have to get the credit card out, buy all the accounts, wait. They have consistency rules. It's gonna be a couple days before I can get back into the funded stage. So I just torched them. Yeah, we'll see. We'll vote. We'll do a poll if we get the 250 likes, and we're gonna start the giveaway in 15 minutes. So we got to get the light counter going within 15 minutes. So, because we got to sort through everything, and I do have a doctor's appointment today I got to run to. So I can't stay on the stream too late. I can stay a little bit after. I really got to be out of here by no later than 12:10 to make it to my appointment. I can find it. It is what it is, though. Like, losing is part of trading. That's what people don't understand. In trading, you are going to have losses. One thing that trading will teach you over time is how to become a better loser. So, hey, poor guy. I almost always look for your name. I think about it, I was like, oh man, that poor guy. I was the poor guy yesterday afternoon. I was starting to wonder, it's like, man, is my credit card going to decline these charges? And I'm just like wrapping them up, thinking it's fraud. So I was hoping. Oh, actually, I'm going to go ahead and put you on the notepad. Make sure I get your name in there. So you're good. Apple sent you here. Oh, good looking out. So remember, we get 250 likes. We're at 215 by 11:15. We have 8. We'll have 8 accounts up for grabs. So. Oh, shoot. Raj is asking to be put in. All right. I'll put you in, Raj. You don't usually get picked too often. So I'll get you in there too. I just put you in the notepad. So We already took out Asia and London low to the downside. Hey, look, hey, bada bing, bada boom. Man, I should have held it. Should have held that stupid long. Look, we hit the 350. So we smashed the point of control target for the rotation on the way up from the volume profile. We hit the ABC pattern right up here at 350 as well. So let's get it. $239 in one count, 127 in the other. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Hey, Frank, I've been putting you in. You'll probably get in. I'm not going to pre-put you in, but you'll probably be in there. I've been looking for your name. But hey, if you guys want a chance for 8 winners or 8 total account giveaways, you guys got to boost that like counter up. It's not moving. It's not going to move itself. And at 11:15, that deal will be gone. No, dollars. You got to keep it. It's all your account. So we have 260 people still in here. So there's enough if everybody hit that like button. And some of the people have already come and gone this morning that already smashed the like button. So man, look at the ES. Holy crap. I didn't realize that. Look at the ES go. Woo-wee. Wow. Hey, we gonna go up there and take out session highs. Wowzers. Wow. Dow's up 412 too. What was your premium you paid? I didn't pay. I took in the premium. I sold the premium on the calls. I think I brought in, I think it was like $3.70 something cents. 380, 370, something like that. I took in. When I looked yesterday, it was at 60 cents on the calls that I sold. I have an order to get out at 10 cents. Usually I do 5 cents, but I'll be looking to buy it back at 10 cents. I got a resting order there. Did Taco tweet? I didn't see it. I didn't see the Taco tweet. We did have a 9 count right up here on the NAS. So remember I said 400 on my micros, but I'm not going to lie to you. I'm kind of getting, I kind of want to get out of them. I kind of want to get out. I'm a little scared they might come back down. I've been in them this morning. That way I can clear those trades out and be good. I'm going to take one off. We get ready to take the other one off too. Come on, just push a little bit more. Ah, screw it. I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it off. I'm out. Oh, that's going to really eat me up. I really make another $4, $3.50. A lot of trade detector bubbles showing up right here, though. Makes me a little bit nervous. A little bit nervous. Oh. Hey, so don't forget, we got 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Go hustle up those likes. We'll have eight accounts to give away. Actually, we should do the poll real quick, too. The poll will time out. 8 accounts. Per winner. All right. Come on, Joker. Eight winners or 2 per winner. So I'm hoping you guys are going to get there because at 11:15, it's going to be a hard cutoff. So if we're at 49, too bad, too sad. So I think you guys can get us there. We only need 12 more likes. Get it. Go get your second account, log in, hit the like button, whatever you got to do. Just smash it. Smash it real good. Well, I look at the trade detector bubbles. I look at the regression channel. I look at the VWAP bands. I look at the EMAs on the Renko chart. See how far away we are. Also, are we overbought, oversold? And I know that by the indicator right here where it highlights the background of the chart. Red means we're overbought. Green means we're oversold. Now we can stay oversold longer than you think. So let me see if I can find oversold. We've been ripping here. Let's do it this way. Right there. Oversold area right there, over there, over there. Also look at the delta at the bottom. Also look at volume profile. There's a lot. Like I don't realize it, but I guess I look at a lot of different things. I just know what to look at when I want to look at it. Most of the time. I don't know if we 4 races with 2 winners. I don't know if we'll have enough time to do that though, Marcio. For maybe we'll break up 2 races. Oh, you guys did get us there. Congrats. Hey, you guys got us there. All right, so you guys want 8 winners. We can clearly see that. Let me see how many people have voted. How many people have voted? I can't see. Yeah, that's enough. We got 53 votes. All right, so hey, we're gonna go with 8 separate winners. All right, instead of people getting too many accounts. All right, so let's do it this route. What's the name of the indicator? It's one that I made, Mongo. It's not public, which I might end up sharing it in the future. I got a video idea around it and how you guys can create it for yourself. Maybe. But let's do this. One race. We're gonna do a poll then. We're gonna do a poll. 1 race or 8 winners or 2 races. All right. All right. 1 race, 8 winners, or 2 races, 4 winners. What do you guys want? Let the people speak. Let your voice be heard. And again, we'll close out the poll in about 5 minutes. Hey, Siri. Oh, actually, hold on. Tip Top Trader just emailed me. Hey, the winners from last night. Yeah. Oh, and Eddie sent me a screenshot too. We got a lot going on here. Wait, did I set the timer? Hey, Siri, set timer for 5 minutes. Hey, Siri, set timer for 5 minutes. All right, I think Eddie got the account numbers taken out. Let me just double check. All right, here's Eddie's screenshot real quick. Woo, locked out for the day, up 14 hundo. He has the lockout. You see the little lockout right there? Pink. Okay, is it locked? Yeah, I think it is. I likes it. I likes it a lot. All right. So let me see TPT emails. All right. Let's see if I can do this one this way. Hey, Bob, are you in the chat? Bob, let's see if Bob's in here. All right. I don't see him. Text him. He was one of the winners yesterday. We had a hard time. Okay. Now let me do these emails real quick. Oh boy, this is gonna be a hot mess. Doing the emails with 8 winners. What did I get myself into? Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. Bam, got the first email sent. Compose. Let's see, next one. Bam. Bob's already sent. All right. We have one more. Who is the other one? Oh, that's not one. Oh yeah, we got the one from this morning. Hey, Lone Wolf. What's the email for that one? Pose. There you go. If you guys are gonna get that. I wonder if you guys are gonna get that. Let me see something real quick. Hey, Jesse, are you still in here? Jesse. That's pretty tight. Are you in here? All right, as soon as the timer ends, we'll shut down the poll. Hey, I just sent you an email. Tell me if you got it. Tell me if you received it. I just put test. So I want to make sure my email is working. Somebody just sent all those emails. They might not be working. Oh, Lone Wolf, you got it? Oh, perfect. Perfect. All right, so then I know you guys got it. Perfect. All right. I wasn't sure if the email was going to work. All right. We's good. We's really good. So we still have not hit the midpoint yet of the opening range on the NASDAQ. So let's get it. All right, that's it. So let's close your on down. We're going to end the poll. Bam. Poll has been ended. So 53% said one race. So we're going to have 8 winners. So we're going to split up the ducks. We'll see how many ducks we have in the race. Then we'll determine which spots are going to win. So this is going to be a hot mess. So for sure, first place duck, last place duck. And then we're going to see how many people we pick. I want to make it a pretty sizable duck race. I don't know, probably at least 40 ducks is what I'm thinking. But we'll see. But with that, give me a moment. I need to go refill my drink. And as soon as I come back, we are going to be doing the duck race. So give me a moment. I'll be right back. And hopefully your ducks are well rested and ready to go. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm trying to pull back here a little bit. On's the ES. Let me get Nightbot all set up. Get Mr. Talking Head out of here. All right. So I'll get Nightbot up. Dashboard. Go to giveaway. Don't forget their sale is going to be ending, I think this weekend or Monday. I can't remember. I did change the key phrase. So here's the rules. 1, you got to be signed up to email list down below. 2, your email's got to be confirmed. So once you sign up, the email will be confirmed. 3, make sure you email list. Make sure you're on the email list. Make sure it's confirmed, and then make sure you type in spam the chat with the key phrase I'm about to give out. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. So I'm going to give out the key phrase. Get ready to spam the chat. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Boom, 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 boom. Bam. 3-day pass. TPT. Spam the chat. Let's see. Let's see who's going to win it. Oh, man. What a rookie. Captain Price. Put you over here in the notepad. I don't even have the duck race pulled up yet. Oh, man. So hold on a second. We'll let the comments marinate for a minute. Ducky race. Duck, duck, duck. All right. And we make sure we have the email list pulled up so we can verify the winners. All right. All right. Next winner is, or next contestant, Burmer. What's up? What's up? Next one is going to be Lizard Trader. Next one is going to be Rick Sanchez. This is going to be fun. This is going to be JD Dollars. Let's get it. Woof. Manuel is going to be the next winner. Next contestant in the duck race, should I say. We don't know if your duck has what it takes yet. Ready? You have a spot? Shetna? Ooh, I don't think I'm saying that right. Shetna? I don't know. Chimney car maker. I don't want to mispronounce people's names. So usually if I feel like I'm going to mess it up, I usually try not to. Robert, you have a spot? Let me move. Raj and Poor Guy, I gave you guys a spot, so you guys are getting moved up in there. All right, next one. Factors for you. Next one. It's going to be a hot mess trying to track down all 8 people. Poor Guy, you're already in there. Hey, look. Poor Guy, Nightbot was looking out for you. All right. How many people have we picked now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, I'm going to let Nightbot pick one more. I'm going to scroll through the chat and pick some random winners as well. All right. You guys can quit spamming the chat. I might let Nightbot pick some more. I want to see how many. Oops, I just found one. Ew, I just seen him. Quady, you have a spot? Raj said he wasn't going to be here and he's already back. Roger Sam, you have a spot? And again, everybody comes out here and hangs out. I do appreciate you guys. Just so you guys know. Elevated Life, you have a spot? Now, I can't pronounce your name. I have you pictured as somebody I know growing up. But I can't pronounce your name. It's Ouch Low Trust, maybe? Maybe? I don't know. Apple or sports equipment, should I say? Hey, Brutal FX, give you a spot. Hedged. Oops. Hedge, you have a spot? Let's see. Elevated Life. Are you in there yet? Not there yet. All right. Elevated Life, you have a spot? I should do this in a spreadsheet so I can sort a little bit easier, but Mechanoble, you have a spot? I am. Oh, full port. That was me yesterday. Full port. I think you rubbed off on me yesterday. I was like, oh, I remember full port was in the chat. I needed to make him proud. And it didn't work out for me. Hey, Smushy, you have a spot? Let's see if Jay Loves in here. Forgot him last night. He's always on here. Let me see if I can find him. He might be working though. Dang it. I'm gonna put Paul R in the chat. Oh, I'm trying to sell it down a little bit. Oh, Frank, gotcha. Adam, gotcha. I like the deep charts name. I'm gonna give you a spot too. I give Eddie a spot. Let me copy Eddie's name. Scoot, you have a spot? Is Scoot in here? All right. 4 guys in there. Oh, Raphael. Finite. Ooh, I don't think you got picked yet, did you? Hey, if I accidentally picked somebody's name twice, they just got lucky. Like the bot. Oh, learn the hard way. Block talk. We have a lot of names in here. Trading game. You should be in there, shouldn't you? All right. All right, hold on. I think that's going to be it. Let me see. I'm going to put them all into the actual race. See how many ducks we actually have. Oh boy. Oh boy. Let's see. How many ducks is this going to be? This might not be enough. Might have to pick some more. Yeah, so I'll have Nightbot pick them. Yeah, I'm going to let Nightbot pick 2 more. So Nightbot's going to pick 2 more. This will make 40. I can't pronounce your name, but you have a spot? Surf, you have a spot? All right, that's going to round out all the... So we have 8 spots. All right, so hey, here's how... So if we got 40 ducks, all right. Duck 1 is going to win. Duck 7 will win. Duck 13 will be a winning spot. Duck 26 will be a winning spot. Duck 36 will be a winning spot. Duck 40. Hold on, that's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, we need 2 more spots. You guys got any suggestions on what other spots it should be? Any suggestions? Already got 36. Do we got 13? Yep, 13's already one of them. 3. All right, we're going to do 3. I like the number 3. We're going to do 3 also. Yep, we got last place. We got last place. 40 is last place. Yeah, we're going to do 21. That was my cousin's favorite number that passed away. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so hey, here's going to be the winning ducks. 1, 3, 7, 13, 21, 26, 36, and 40. All right. That's going to be the winning ducks. I got it written down so I can see it. So let's get ready to rumble. So let's see. All right. Hey, we'll do a 2-minute duck race. We'll make it 2 minutes. You guys wanted 2 minutes last night? We'll do 2 minutes. Oh boy, we got a stack pack. This is for 8 TPT accounts. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Boop. Oh boy, oh boy. So if you're not first, hey, you're not out. You still have a shot. Hey, poor guy, you're already in. Poor guy, you are in. At least I pray you're in. I gotta find you in the mix. Because I had you on the. Ooh. Hey, poor guy, Nightbot picked you. And oh yeah, Nightbot picked you. So I didn't have to worry about it. So you're probably down here somewhere. Right there. You're right there. Hey, you're the one with a. Hey, you have an unfair advantage. Look at the beak. Your beak's a little bit large. Trying to poke out and get that number 1 spot. Hey, you know what they say? If you're not cheating, you're not trying. So. Oh, please see your duck. Okay. Too bad you can't hit keys on the hotkeys, spam the chat, and make your duck go faster. That'd be pretty awesome. Let's see. 1 minute left. Oh boy. Crazy eye duck over here. You better stay away from this person. Woo. Paul's like, watch out. This is my account. This is mine. Don't make me bow you with one of my feathers. Spacebar works good. Oh, they're like, why ain't my duck moving? You gotta hit spacebar faster. Oh man. Hey, we're getting close to that 400 on the NASDAQ. I really want another couple dollars. Let's see. Uh-oh, 5 seconds left. Uh-oh, full port. See, how does it work when they full port, but it doesn't work for me? That is not fair. All right. So we're going to get through the first one. Where can I put this? Hey, but dropping the anchor might be the right move. You never know. You never know. Hey, so what's the first 3 letters of your email, Mr. Fullport? First 3 letters of your email. All right. Lamb. Let's see. Is this it? I don't think so, but nope. Woo! I got one more trade for a couple bucks. That's not it. Nah, this can't be you. Nope. Hey, Lee, I still don't see you on the list. I still looked, you're not on the list. I looked this morning. Oh, maybe it's this one. Maybe. Hey, I found you. Sweet. All right, let's I'm gonna shoot you out an email real quick. Hey, please respond back before we get off stream. And anybody that wins, if you haven't yet had a Take Profit Trader account, please go over there, create an account, because the email you use to create that account is what I'm going to need to help get that account transferred over to you. Let's see. All right, Mr. Full Report. Now let's see who is going to be the next ducky in the race. So I've learned last night, we got to zoom this up a little bit. Keep the suspense going just a little bit. All right. Third is going to be the Elevated Life. Elevated Life, you have a spot? So Elevated Life, what's up? What's up? You have a spot in the duck rate, or you won. LEG, let's get it. Boy, it's gonna be hard for me to keep up all these emails. All right, LEG. They're ripping it right now. I think this might be you. Let's see. Nope. Oh, yes. Yes. I feel like that's you. All right, let's do this. Compose. All right, Elevated Life, I sent you an email. You should be all good. Where's the 10-year yield? Should be going up a little bit. Let me get through all these, all the winners real quick. All right, so we got the first and third duck. The next one is... Oh, boy. Woo! I thought I closed it out. The next one was duck number 7. So Rick Sanchez, you have a spot. Number 7, Rick Sanchez. What's the first 3 letters of your email? I'm trying to rip this bad boy. JDM, let's get it. JDM. All right. Woo-wee. Get it. Let's go. All right. Compose. I am. All right, email sent. All right, let's go see who the next winner is and what duck is the next winner. All right, next winner is going to be lucky number 13. Lucky number 13. Who is that? JD Dollars. Ooh. JD, what's up? What's up? JD Dollars being the winner. And I think you won just recently. I think you just won recently. Let me see. You did. Perfect. So let me just get your information. And just use the old email. So, hey, JD, I'm only going to send you an email once the account has been transferred. I'll send you the email. All right. Perfect. All right. That one's easy. Yeah, I'll send you an email once the account's been transferred since you just won. So you're good. Oh boy. Okay, let's see. What are we doing? Next winner. I can't remember what spot it is. All right, number 21. Ooh. Who's going to be 21? Not Adam. Not Quady. Not Smushy. Oh, not Raphael. Trading Game. Trading Game just won last night too, I believe. Was it last night? Man. See, it pays to show up more than once. Hey, Captain, you might have still won. We don't know yet. I think Trading Game won last night. Can't remember now. Trying to search. Yesterday was a rough day. Yeah, last night. Yeah, so hold on. I can probably just do this. Inbox. Yeah, already have your stuff. So I don't have to send you an email. Hey, that makes it easier on me. All right, perfect. All right, what number was that? That was number 21. All right, what was the next duck? 26. Uh-oh. Who's going to be 26? Man, I'm loving this. Frank the Second. Frank, I know you've won in the past, but I don't know your email. So what's the first 3 letters of your email? Let's get it. XFI. I do want to show you guys something real quick too. Hey, so look at this today. Today. Let's look at the comeback real quick. I'm going to look for Frank here in just a second. Here's the Apex accounts. About 5,900 across the prop accounts. Evals only. Lucid accounts. Lucid and Tradeify, 8,100 bucks across those. TPT accounts, $4,000 up 20 grand. And then the MFF up to $2,900. Woo! Good day. Let's see. Let's see. All right, there's Frank. Let's just see if I know you've won something in the past. I just can't remember what it was. I think you won the My Funded Futures. I think. Yeah, I think you won My Funded Futures. All right, so I'm going to shoot you an email. Bink. What's the hot mess? All right, Frank, I just shot you an email. So, because when we have the giveaways, if I have the rewind on, the stream gets behind, and then people don't know the giveaway is going. Then they complain, I didn't know we're having the giveaway. So I try to, it keeps people up to date on the stream. So usually on the a lot of times on non-giveaways, I don't have the rewind. I have the rewind where it's not on, or where you can rewind. Okay, what spot was that? What spot? Let's see. What spot was the last winner? All right, that was winner 26. All right, so 36. We're looking for number 36. Ooh, oh, Apple, you almost Paul Rodriguez. Oh man. Good deal, good deal. All right. All right. Nice. All right, last but not least, Roger Sam coming in last place. Hey, Roger Sam, what's the first 3 letters of your email? Again, hopefully you guys can get me my email before 12 so I can email Take Profit Trader and we get the accounts transferred over to everybody. So. Oh, you know what? I feel like you've won before. Let's see. ROG. ROG. I think this might be it. No, that was not. I think this is it. Yep. Yep. All right, so let me search this in Gmail to see if you have won a TPT account in the past. You have. Perfect. No, that's the wrong one. Dang it. Oh, is that your email? Okay. That's not what I thought. Let me see. All right, yeah, I got a Roger Sam. I have your stuff. We's good. All right, so now I just got a Roger Sam. I'm gonna email you once the account has been transferred because you had one in the past. You won back in May, so I was able to get your information off that email in the past. So again, you guys got to get the information to me by 12 o'clock so I can forward it to TPT and we get all set up. Hey, Lee, I can't find you on the email list. I looked last night and then I know you said you signed up, but I can't find you still. Frank says sent email. Hey, now yesterday when I was transferring over the emails, I messed up and I deleted one. So if you do get another email from me today, if that happens again, we have 8 of them I'm going to try to send out. So. No, hey, JD, I don't think he's a bot. Hey, Paul, I don't know if you're still in here. I'll just do it this way. All right, let's get it. Look, we're trying to come back down here again, but let's go look at the 30-minute chart real quick. On the NASDAQ, what were we able to do? 30 minutes. We didn't quite make it all the way back up here, but if you guys are going to still be trading this afternoon, I'm not. After yesterday, I am not going to. So we break above 472. It's going to increase the probabilities. We're going all the way back up to session highs. Plain and simple. Over here on the ES, we already took out session highs. Hopefully you guys can actually see the pattern setting up right here, right now. So right here, it'd be like this. Bink, bink, and target is 77.17. We've already broken above the B point. So as long as we don't go below 76.77, this is still the target. Doesn't mean get in here and have your stop loss down here because the reward to risk ratio profile would be horrible. But this would be a target. So on longs, runners, this would be a good target location. If we break 76.77, we have to no longer look at that upper level. Oh, Dollar Steve sent me a report card. Let's go check it out. He probably made gazillions of dollars. Let's go see it. Wow, he did do good. Holy smokes. I think. If I'm seeing what I think I'm seeing. Man, dollars is killing it. We have to start calling you. We can't call you dollars. We got to call you millions. 45.02 for the day. 80% win loss. Average winning trade 450. Average losing 208. Man, fantastic stats. Largest win, $2,500. Way to let your winners run. Largest loss, 210. Man, you've been having some banger results. Man, that is awesome. That's good. That is awesome. I am curious, just as a point of reference, I want to put all of my accounts on one tab. I want to see what my grand total today was with all the evals, since that's all I have anymore is evals. Yeah, so hey, here's a grand total. Oh, I think. Yeah, so grand total today crossed all the. Oh, they're only evals. That's the bad part. They're not real money. It's all fake. Dollars, you're the one putting in the work, not me. Roger's probably been doing you more good than I have. But here's the grand total across all the accounts. $37,000. But it's just evals. That's just to pass the test. It's not real money. I can't withdraw any of it, unfortunately. So. All right, look, we're trying to rip it. They trying to rip it. Is the ES going to make it all the way up there? And look, NASDAQ's going to breach 786, which will imply we're going all the way back up here. Let's go look at them yields real quick. Yields, where are we at? You're up here near session highs. It definitely looks like we want to break and go higher. Wow, look at gold too. Gold's a ripper. Gold's right up here at near session highs. Jeez. So. Yeah, that's nuts. Um, and they're getting it. Jeez. They still getting it. Like, we can't stop, won't stop. It might. Gold might be on its way to 5,000. Very well could be. Man, they're getting it. Trying to get all these winners lined up so I can get ready to send TPT their email. So hopefully all the winners are emailing me back. I hope so. Yesterday was tough for me. Look, 786 is broken. We're probably going all the way back up to session highs. Freaking ES gonna go all the way up there. As much as I'm tempted to try to push it, I don't think I should. Do not think I should push it. I think I need to just chill and wait. Wait till Monday or Sunday night. Then come back in. Bam. Yeah, I'll get you in the duck race real estate. Remind me, and I'll make sure to get you in one next week. We have giveaways all next week as well. Different accounts. I think you guys will like it. So let's go. Now remember, send me anybody that won, please make sure you have an email to me before 12. Otherwise, you may forfeit. I need to get it sent out. I don't want to hold everybody else up. So I'm going to go check right now, Rick. I'm checking right now. All right, let's see. Okay, I got Frank's. Let's see. Hey, Rick, I have yours. Let's see. I don't know who this is. Oh, hey, full port. I have yours. Let's see. I'll go back and find that one. Shoot, I forgot. I think I got 8, but I just want to make sure I didn't mess up. Let's see. Cents. Yep, I got that one. Yeah, I have all 8 people. I have all 8 people. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna jump off the live stream. Depends on how much you can make off it, Sam. Depends on how much you can make off having those tweets early. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna jump off the stream. I'm gonna go send TPT the email. Everybody that won, I will be emailing you back. Now, if I don't hear back today, just note that I didn't hear back. It probably won't be till Sunday or Monday morning, but I'm trying to get all the accounts out. As soon as they notify me, I'll email you back, even if it's from my phone. So be on the lookout for that email. With that being said, I want to say thank you for everybody coming out, hanging out. If you're going to still trade, fingers crossed you don't pull a mic and do what I did yesterday. All right, guys. With that being said, take care. Look forward to seeing you guys next week.